Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mama Shajaz. You're watching me on YouTube. You're listening to me on Spotify, and you're listening and watching me along with my bestie and my partner in crime, Sadaf Heather. Sadaf, Assalamu alaikum. कैसी हैं आप?
Alhamdulillah, good to see you, Mavish. Good to see everyone else. Thank you.
यस। तो सदफ कमेंट सेक्शन में युद्ध चल रहा है। एक फुल ऑन महाभारत चल रही है। और क्या वर्ड्स होते हैं, जंग, गदर, जो भी कहना चाहे।
Yeah.
मेरा मैंने रिव्यू किया था ऑफ मीम से मोहब्बत, एंड पीपल आर एक्यूजिंग मी ऑफ नॉट, not, I guess, falling over Ahad as much as the Stan girls are. And I
Uh-huh.
actually got a comment said, I loved memes and mohabbat and this and that. I don't know what's wrong with you. And I'm like, maybe it's because I'm not really a fangirl of Ahad. Though I love Ahad's acting in so many in so much work that he's done, and I've interviewed him, and he's a lovely person. But what is bringing this onslaught to me,
I
sir?
I don't know. I mean, my guess, reasonable guess is, as I've said before, you cannot wake people up that are pretending to be asleep.
Hmm.
So you cannot wake them up to self-awareness कि this is ridiculous.
Hmm.
तो वो जान के नाराज हो रहे हैं because और कोई काम नहीं है इनका.
अच्छा.
And I'm just saying any actor, whether it's
Hmm.
देखो अब Wahaj Ali is a big favorite of mine. I'm
Hmm.
happy to admit that. I didn't watch Son Mere Dil. Can't stand
Oh.
him. Right.
Hmm.
So what? But I mean, like, and I'm sure to get grief from certain people for that. That's fine. देखो हो सकता है if you are enjoying a show, fine, good. Say, hey, look, you know what? I disagree with you. I love this part of the show.
Hmm.
Fine.
Hmm.
लेकिन वो जो abusive messages हैं, come on, right? It's a drama,
And it's
right?
personal attacks, which I'm not like. You can
Yeah.
say that, no, but I thought Ahad was great, or I didn't think Ahad was great, or I thought Danani was great, or whoever,
You see?
XYZ. Insert any actor, insert any story, insert any drama. And then you can still talk about, no, but I liked this because they showed it like this. But to simply come and attack somebody for doing their job, and this is kind of my job. So
Well,
try
I
to
think it's their job as well. You see, this is the thing, right?
possible.
I am honestly sincere fans will sit down, they'll write a paragraph और वो
Hmm.
कहेंगे नहीं बहुत अच्छा काम किया आपको ये बात नहीं समझ आई because देखो ना when we do a review it
Hmm.
is a conversation starter.
Hmm.
It is not what did you call it written in stone कि अब
Hmm.
सदर महावेश ने ये कह दिया दुनिया खत्म हो गई.
काश,
Right?
काश ऐसा होता।
यस इतने हम पावरफुल तो नहीं है
तो फीवी
दुनिया पे
फीवी कहती है ना।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
हाँ, फीवी
Yeah,
कहती है ना कि समथिंग अबाउट हु मेड यू क्वीन ऑफ द यूनिवर्स एंड द बॉस ऑफ एवरीथिंग, एंड शी इज लाइक, ओ माय
yeah,
गॉड, आई वुड लव दैट जॉब, एंड सेम गर्ल, सेम।
yeah, too much responsibility, but I'm just saying that that kind of thing, our show is a conversation starter. हम
हम्म.
लोग opinion देते हैं. We have been working as journalists. We've been studying the entertainment industry for years. थोड़ा सा वैल्यू है हमारे opinion में भी, लेकिन दूसरों का भी opinion is valuable. You're enjoying it, say why. That was what a true fan would do. They'd be a little disappointed, but ये जो bots and paid fan swarms, जो एक ही बात, and you can tell, the way
Yeah.
that they write their tweets, the way that they write their paragraphs, that they've been given how to do it. Chalo, good luck to you. I mean, other people are trying to work on medicine and other things. You be a Ahad bot. Go on. If that's your sole aim in life, go on. Other
बट
people are
like you said, सदा,
life.
वी आर ऑल्सो विलिंग टू बी सोल्ड। कोई हमें भेज दे,
Yeah.
अगर कोई 40-50
आए
करोड़
अल्लाह
रुपए।
को भेज दे मुझे लॉन का सूट ना तो मैं
लॉन
कहूंगी
का
इस.
सूट की बात करी, मैं
Yeah.
40-50 करोड़ की बात कर रही हूँ, आप लॉन के सूट को कह रही
अल्लाह.
हैं दादा। हमें
नहीं नहीं
40,
मैं बहुत
मुझे,
सस्ते
नहीं,
में
मैं
आई
50 करोड़ से कम, मेरी 8 करोड़ देखें, सदफ ने कहा था, सुन
वो
मेरे।
ये
ठीक
वो
है
वो
सदफ,
दूसरी सदफ थी ना.
वो दूसरी।
ये वाली जरा सी ग्रेड शालमी नंबर 2 वाली है.
ओके।
वो तो मेरी सदफ थी.
ओ, वो तो भाई 8 करोड़ वाली लेवल था उनका। मेरा 50 करोड़ है, इफ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड इन
हम्म.
बाइंग माई ओपिनियन।
Thing is though you give me 8 crore but there's no guarantee I'm going to list I'm going to say what you want, so it's your
So it's a
choice.
priceless deal. Pay her, but no guarantees. Okay, yeah. Well, actually, pretty much the same. Anyway, let's start with. Sadaf, I want to start with Jaffa. We'll move to Aish
Mm.
Kitchen. So, Aish Kitchen was next up, but I want to start with Jaffa because I think that Jaffa made a couple of points which we want to slightly
Mhm.
detail, and then we'll move straight to Aish Kitchen. Because it suddenly struck me is that we haven't really properly gone into Jaffa in as much detail as we did before. And recent episode had a lot of things happening. Andaleeb is back, and the father. Recent episodes, not one episode, but multiple episodes, and now Andaleeb has seen Zara, and in the next episode's teaser, we'll see Andaleeb meeting Numair. तो काफी कुछ हुआ है पिछले कुछ एपिसोड्स में, जिसमें बहुत कुछ था अनपैक करने के लिए. बट आई थिंक आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर दिस पॉइंट कि हम थोड़ा सा इसमें डीप डाइव करते. और मुझे जफा के साथ जो बीच में ये हुआ था कि जो मुझे लग रहा था कि लोग उस कॉन्वर्जेशन को नहीं ले रहे आगे जाके, कि मेल इनफर्टिलिटी के ऊपर बात करने में लोगों को मसला क्यों होता है. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि वो कॉन्वर्जेशन हो ही नहीं रही है. तो द वन गुड थिंग दैट हैपेंड in Jaffa was that finally, when Numair speaks to Zara about it, he actually goes in a lot of very nuanced detail about why he didn't talk about it. And she gives him a right talking to, which I think which was on everybody's mind. She was speaking all of the fans' minds कि भाई
Mm-hmm.
ये क्या, तुम अपनी डिग्रियां जला के फेंक दो, तुम तो हसन से भी गए गुजरे हो, वगैरह वगैरह. बट आई थिंक वो कॉन्वर्जेशन बहुत
Okay, right. And this is where मेरी इख्तलाफ है, right? हसन
रियली
से कहा थे वो गया गुजरा है, but
ऑब्वियसली,
go
या वो बस उन्होंने एक
on.
जज्बात के बहाव में कह दिया जारा ने. तो coming to what Numair said and how Numair kind of handled it all, and now he's kind of like given up work and he's staying at home full time with the kid. और अब बच्चा भी बड़ा हो गया है, बच्ची बड़ी हो गई है काफी, और अब उनकी शादी की बात हो रही है ज़ारा और नुमैर की. Funnily enough, I think there's a lot of chemistry. I'm gonna get hate for this, but a lot of chemistry. I saw a spark between Usman Mukhtar and Mavra. I won't say Numair and Zara, because I think that उस्मान और मावरा के बीच को अगर देखें तो मेरे ख्याल से they would be a good fit in any other drama. Here I agree कि ज़ारा और नुमैर just like maybe no, but I think that the way that even Mavra responds, like Zara responds to the whole idea is really good. And somebody I think commented हमारे YouTube पे के to show कि एक healthy male female relationship कैसे होती है, friendship कैसे होती है. It's also a very big it's a very big kudos that goes to Jaffa. And now that I think that Andaleeb is back, I still feel she's still very immature, because immature लोग ये बात करते हैं अब मैं बहुत mature हो गई हूँ, अब मैं बहुत मतलब अक्लमंद हो गई. Nobody says that, but to give them credit, that scene where the father sees Andaleeb for the first time after so long, so many months of absence, and thinking that she's dead, oh my God. And you know, that's where you love Pakistani dramas, कि हम एक इतने बड़े moment को, she's just like peeking from the garden. And again, kudos to Danish Nawaz, kudos to Seher Khan, कि इतना कमाल का काम किया है उन्होंने, कि the way that she has this haunted look in her eyes and she's stepping out of the that little diwar, that scene just was like goosebump inducing. And Usman Mukhtar's acting, gotta give him props for that. That's my take on Jaffa. I think that it's finally coming back to full circle and talking about the things that need to be talked about. What's your take?
You know what? Excuse me. I agree with you about Dr. Numair and Dr. Zara, right? And this is something that, with experience, you realize just because they look good on paper doesn't mean they're actually attracted to each other in real life. And I see this all the time. Oh, she's a doctor, he's a doctor, they should get along. Then 2 months down the road, they're divorced. So what it is if they had liked each other, and I'm talking about a real life couple, तो कब की उनकी शादी हो गई होती? They wouldn't have bothered,
marrying other people.
Yeah, he could have explained to Zara, there was such a trust factor. Maybe he could have explained to Zara कि ये situation है मेरे साथ. And throughout, you don't see him looking longingly towards Zara कि हाय काश मैं ठीक होता तो मैं
Very
Zara
good
से ही
point.
शादी कर लेता, right? Because which of
काश ये
foreshadowing.
होती, हाँ काश ये
Yeah,
होती मेरी जिंदगी में, हाँ.
yeah. So I disagree with that part. लेकिन वो पाकिस्तानी एक thinking होती है, बकरी ए को बकरी बी के साथ बांध दिया जाए. बकरी सी बकरी डी को पसंद करती है,
I think you
लेकिन
mean
नहीं,
बकरा and
ये
बकरी.
बकरी
दोनों
होती.
दोनों बकरियां तो नहीं साथ बन सकती ना सदा, फिर तो हम नेटफ्लिक्स.
Oh yeah, we have to make sure they hate each other,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, so if Bakri
No,
A
I meant
likes
something else though, but anyway, yeah, go on.
if Bakri A likes Bakri B, we must find Bakri D या C, right? Because that would be too easy कि ये तो एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं. And we've had dramas based on this, so nobody can say I'm a liar, right?
No.
Psychology. The minute
We
that
have
somebody
something coming
hates
up.
each
Yeah.
other, yeah, that means kuch bagairti hai, and we have to put them into a situation which is impossible, right? And
Yeah.
I will go back to that in at the end of the show because we've got one of those dramas coming up. Anyway,
Yes.
जहाँ तक डॉक्टर जारा और डॉक्टर नुमान का ये है, it's not
Numair.
that easy. ये डॉक्टर नुमान, sorry.
Hmm.
So I personally, you see, it's great in dramas जब वो दिखाते हैं कि oh she came back from the dead and everybody's
Hmm.
happy.
Hmm.
That can be a horrific shock
Yeah. Yeah.
because you आपने अपने दिल को समझाया हुआ है. You have
Hmm.
gone through paroxysms of guilt.
Hmm.
You've all this, or suddenly she's back.
Hmm.
I did not like Deepu for doing this.
Hmm.
This is not
Hmm.
the way to deal with it. I realized she was upset, right? But leaving your child, I don't think I'm probably going
Yeah,
to
I
get a
didn't buy that. Like, I don't agree with that either. Like, that's
yeah.
probably what her
Or
character is, but mm,
yeah, बात बड़ी थी. I will
mm,
agree, but so was committing suicide on your wedding
mm,
night. वो भी
mm,
बहुत बड़ी बात थी. लेकिन
mm,
नुमैर इंसान थोड़ी ना. तो
mm,
वो सिर्फ इंसान ये है दीबू और सहर खान, right? They are the
mm,
only human beings in this thing, right?
mm,
Because वो बेचारी है. I
mm.
understand where she's coming from. I've had children. वो ना 6 महीने का separation या something like that would have worked, but इतने साल, खासकर चलो नुमैर को तो छोड़ो, अपने बच्चों को कौन
इतने
छोड़ता है?
साल तो नहीं, आई थिंक 1 साल का वक्फा दिखा है. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर, गाइस, लेट अस नो.
Whatever. I mean, like it's too much. As a mother, I don't know how you sleep at night. Or फिर, and once again, I blame Deepu's parents, right?
हम्म.
And I'm going to say this maybe probably for the last time or whatever. इतने narcissistic parents मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखे. आती
हम्म.
है वापस, they don't ask, what did you go through, बेटा? Why did you leave? What did
आई
we
थिंक
do?
दे डिड,
नहीं,
शी डज
नुमैर
टेल
तक
देम.
टूटे.
नो,
Yeah,
शी
they,
डज, शी लाइक.
they're very happy. Instead of saying, better, you shouldn't have done this, they're very happy to put all the blame on Numair, and
हम्म.
suddenly Numair is the thing. I see what people don't understand is, and I keep saying this, that you want to be forgiven for terrible things,
हम्म.
but you also got to be able to forgive other people. वरना गड्डी तो नहीं चलेगी ना.
हम्म.
Right? And there is no guarantee that the second person that you meet is going to
हम्म.
be absolutely fabulous either. So
Yeah.
there is, I don't care who hates me for this, but I've been married for what, so many years, with a, by the way, a wonderful husband. But I mean, you have arguments, and if you're not willing to forgive people, how do you have friendships? How do you
हम्म.
have relationships of any kind?
हम्म.
So, when it was Deepu's turn, Numair forgave her.
Yeah, initially, yeah.
He looked after her. He protected her. When it
Hmm.
was her turn, she
Hmm.
ran off.
Hmm. Yeah.
And I think she has matured, I think, a little bit, as much as she can, right?
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
I want to give a warning. This idea कि ये भोली भाली लड़की है, तो this is the ideal in marriage. No, pick a
Hmm.
sensible girl,
Hmm.
right? You're just
Hmm.
letting yourself in for trauma. It's only in movies and dramas that this kind of thing works out.
I agree, and I also about the sensible girl. One thing which I know it's a bit of a tangent, but I want to talk about it
Mm.
because I picked on it later. Later, you mentioned something, and just small tangent
Mm.
on Meem Se Mohabbat, coming out of nowhere. But Meem Se Mohabbat में आपने एक बड़ी अच्छी बात की थी कि फरहत इश्तियाक writes very sensible girls, and I think that Dananir was supposed to be a sensible girl. But
अच्छा.
I think so, because if you look at the writing, she's not
Hmm.
jumping off of walls. She's not,
Isn't she?
no,
Oh,
no,
okay.
if you look at the dialogue and what she's doing, she's
Hmm.
stopping to eat golgappe. That doesn't mean she is Umeed from Fairy Tale. I think Ali Hassan was so into wanting Umeed from Fairy Tale, he brought Dananir there. Coming back to a sensible girl, I think that uh, when you talk about someone like Andalib, I think it's par for course for them, for characters like her,
Hmm.
and actor, not actors in the sense that जो आपकी जिस तरह का ट्रैक आपका चल रहा होता है, जिस तरह की कहानी उन्होंने लिखी है, तो उसमें वो लड़की इसी तरह की हरकतें करती है. मैं घर से भाग जाऊंगी, मैं तुम्हारे साथ झोपड़ी में रह लूंगी, मैं
मुझे
गोलियां खा
तुम्हें
लूंगी.
बच्चा नहीं चाहिए,
हाँ,
मुझे
मुझे भी
भी
नहीं
नहीं.
चाहिए, बच्चा मैं गिरा दूंगी, और फौरन ही उनको मोहब्बत भी इस लड़के से हो जाती है, और बगैर
हम्म.
उसके एक्सप्लेनेशन के वो चली भी जाती है. तो आई थिंक कि जब वो एक्टर वो बेचारा वो सारा कर रहा होता है, तो वो वो तो वही समझ के कर रहा होता है ना कि ये इसने ये किया
नहीं
फिर ये क्या
आप नाराज हो because when I say this I
हम्म
get hate because it's like you're dismissing what he did,
हम्म
right? You're
नो
minimizing what
नो
he
नो
did.
नॉट एट
Not
ऑल
minimizing it,
नो
but देखो in a religion में भी होता है, it's not eye for an eye,
हम्म
uh, the way that people think it. It's do not go beyond your limits, right? He did something wrong. आप नाराज उस लिमिट तक हो
हम्म
जहाँ
नहीं यार
तक ही
सबसे देखिए
wrong.
मेरे लिए जो सब अगेन इट्स बिकॉज आई एम
Yeah.
स्पीकिंग एज अ मदर इज दैट यू वुड नॉट लीव योर चाइल्ड नो मैटर हाउ एंग्री यू
Hmm.
आर यू वुड नॉट लीव योर चाइल्ड एंड वो उसको
Right.
दिखाते हैं कि वो खुदकुशी कर रही है फिर वो नहीं करती खुदकुशी और फिर उसके बाद उसको अपने बच्चे की आवाज आती है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट आई थिंक दैट व्हाट यू शुड हैव योर चाइल्ड नीडेड अ मदर and I think that again like you said it speaks to her how she was brought up that character and and अगर आप उसको देखें कि ये एक ऐसी लड़की है और मैं ये पता है मजे की बात क्या है दुख की भी बात है एक्चुअली कि ये लड़कियां होती हैं ऐसी जो अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को
I mean,
अपनी
yeah,
रियलिटीज को
no, I am speaking from years of experience and
हम्म
maturity.
हम्म
Perhaps when you're that age, आपको इतनी समझ नहीं होती.
सदफ एज की
Things
भी मैं आपको
hurt.
बात लेट्स लुक एट इट
Yeah.
एज लेट्स
Hmm.
प्योरली लुक एट इट एज अ लिटरेरी कैरेक्टर लेट्स से यू
Hmm.
रीडिंग दिस कैरेक्टर इन अ बुक आई थिंक ड्रामा और फिल्म में चीजें और लार्जर देन लाइफ हो जाती हैं मैं
Hmm.
लेट्स से मैं चेकऑफ की शॉर्ट स्टोरी पढ़ रही हूँ तो शॉर्ट स्टोरी में मुझे एक लड़की की कहानी ये बताई जा रही है कि वो उसको एक लड़के से प्यार होता है माँ बाप जबरदस्ती दूसरी जगह शादी कर देते हैं वो गोलियां खा लेती है और उसके बाद फिर उस लड़के से चलो उसको मोहब्बत हो जाती है लेकिन जब उसको मोहब्बत होती है तो उसको रियलाइज होता है कि उसका मियाँ उस पर शक कर रहा है लेकिन उसे पता नहीं होता कि मियाँ तो इनफर्टाइल है और वो प्रेग्नेंट है अगर आप ये ट्रैक देखें ना तो इट चेक्स आउट you know why it checks out because she is an impetuous heedless sort of uh, बिल्कुल ही impulsive किस्म की लड़की है वो जो कि इस तरह की हरकतें करती है it checks out the problem that happens in Pakistani dramas sometimes is that sometimes you have to stretch a story to at least bring it to a certain point and also audience need to be spoon fed all the time कि ये लड़की ऐसी है
Hmm.
इसने ऐसे किया फिर
No,
इसने
no,
ऐसे
I'll disagree with you, right? You know
हम्म
what I think is the what is the fall down? They didn't show that Numair and Deepu had a good relationship.
ओके
Through most of it, no, they didn't. Most of
नो
it
नो
they
आई
showed
एग्री
him
विद यू बट
emotionally.
बट अगर वो दिखाते तो क्या वो ये नहीं करती
नहीं, वो emotional torture they showed instead, right? Because what happened was they should have, I think they should have had a longer arc in which they showed that Dibu and Numair were happy together,
हम्म
and then they had a very small portion in which वो शक की बुनियाद के ऊपर ना he's
I think
giving
it's
time
the
to
other way
the call.
around. I
Yeah,
have the I
अच्छा,
have the reverse opinion. I think they
yeah.
showed that enough. In fact, काफी स्ट्रेच किया उन्होंने कि वो उसको एप्पल खिला रहा है, फिर वो घर में भी सब
Hmm.
अच्छा खुश हंसी खुशी रह रहे हैं, फिर वो पढ़ाइयाँ कर रही है, उसको
Hmm.
पिक कर रहा है, ड्रॉप कर रहा है. I think वो काफी था. I
Maybe
think
I didn't feel it. Maybe I
मे
didn't
बी
feel it.
वो मुझे
क्योंकि
काफी लगा.
इवन वो एप्पल जब खिला रहा होता है वो व्हाट इज दैट मोइस का थोड़ा सा सिलसिला होता है ना शी
हम्म
गोज टू कॉलेज और मोइस होता है सो आई थिंक देयर वाज दैट शैडो ऑफ हर प्रीवियस रिलेशनशिप
ओके
देयर बल्कि फ्लैशबैक्स में उन्होंने दिखाया दे हैड अ ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप व्हाटएवर बट
हम्म
बाय देन इट्स टू लेट सो दैट्स जस्ट माय ओपिनियन पीपल वुड डिसएग्री
Of course, yeah. Like even I feel like it did. I think that was okay. I didn't have an issue with that. My issue was that the she could have possibly had a longer time to maybe she would have mulled it over. वो उतनी impulsive थी, which again checks out as the character. But again, अगर आपको audience को थोड़ा सा वो करना होता है ना, खींचना होता है, लाना होता है अपनी तरफ, तो आप शायद ये दिखा सकते
maybe
थे. हाँ, ये
yeah
दिखा सकते थे. लेकिन वही बात है. I still feel like दीबू का जो कैरेक्टर है इट्स नॉट अ कैरेक्टर यू गाइस शुड बी आइडेंटिफाइंग विद एट ऑल एंड आई सी दैट सो मच एंड इट डिस्टर्ब्स मी सो मच लाइक अभी जो लुइजी
I think
मैंजिनी
they're
है.
identifying with Seher Khan, which I
Yeah,
can
but
understand,
that's
but
okay.
not with people.
Identifying with
People's
Seher
his
when she looks
sister.
pretty in a photo shoot is cool. Like even I would
Yeah.
say that, oh my God, she looks so pretty. But to say, Andaleeb deserves better or Andaleeb is this and Andaleeb is making a lot of terrible choices. This is a cautionary tale.
I'm gonna disagree. Andali deserved better from day one. She
Hmm.
deserved therapy. She didn't deserve a forced marriage. All of this, right? When you go back to the original thing, is forcing a young girl who is confused. She
Hmm.
may or may not be deeply in love with that idiot Moise,
Hmm.
right? But forcing her to marry a 35 plus oncologist who is kind of iffy about marriage, and they haven't even chatted or talked to हमारी इज्जत का सवाल है. I'm sorry, I've seen too many forced marriages in England, so they're
Hmm.
disgusting. So
Hmm.
I just
आई नो,
cannot.
आप वही पे फंसी हुई हैं, लेकिन मैं
Yeah,
आपको, लेकिन
yeah,
मैं
because that is the root cause of the issue,
you were
right?
talking about the rotten apple basically, right? You're talking
Yeah.
about the original sin. But मेरा उससे थोड़ा different opinion है. और this is my last word
Mm-hmm.
because we have so much other stuff to talk about.
Okay,
We have to move
sure.
on to Aish Ke Junoon. I just want to say that Andaleeb is not a character, is not a personality that you should be emulating or believing that this is the way you should be taking choices. The fact that she is justifying, oh, I'm very mature and I wanted to teach him a lesson. No, 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 no. Sit and communicate with your partner. This is the same thing they showed in Zara and Hassan's track, that he's lying, he's manipulating, he's not telling the truth. The dad isn't
Mm-hmm.
telling the truth. There's so, like, web of lies पे lies पे lies है.
But she
लेकिन आप,
works it out by communicating with
she's
him.
working it out, but
Mm,
like this is what happens with most relationship. If there's only one
mm,
person working, trying to work it out the relationship is not going to work. It's a two-person
mm.
job. So when push comes to shove, you cannot just dump things on someone and run away. And also, you cannot lie and hide your.
Number one, you don't dump your child on anyone, right? And run
Yeah,
off.
that's anyway, guys. We are welcoming your comments. Please send us your comments about Jaffa. I think it's winding up now. So long discussion हो गई. हमने तो 10 मिनट बात करनी थी, लंबी हो गई. Let's talk about Aish Ke Junoon. Lots of stuff happening in Aish Ke Junoon. I don't like Rahim's fiance. That's what I'm gonna start with. Sadaf, what do you think?
लेकिन वो एलीट क्लास लड़कियां ऐसी ही होती
बाबा
हैं,
मेरा कसूर
आपको
क्या
नहीं
है?
पता.
बाबा मेरा कसूर क्या? मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ, वो उसको मेरे ऊपर तरजीह क्यों दे रहा है? ओह
Acha,
गॉड.
if you're gonna give her those kind of dialogues, then give her some backstory, give her some explanation. Don't make her into this like this puppet. जो हर
He was accused
throughout,
of he was accused of murdering and assault. You
right?
really are still wondering why he doesn't like you. You should have, if you believe him. Let's say you don't, like,
Yeah.
if you don't believe him. आप नहीं बिलीव करती हैं, आपने मंगनी तोड़ दी, जान चली, आपकी जान छूट गई उससे, आपने कहा नहीं जी मैंने इसके साथ शादी नहीं करनी है, तो आप अभी उसके लिए पाइनिंग वाले डायलॉग्स क्यों बोल रही हैं? एंड अगेन इट स्पीक्स टू हाउ समटाइम्स वी व्यू फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स और कर्सरी फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स, कि हमने उनको
अच्छा,
सिर्फ
शी इज अ
पाइनिंग फॉर लव दिखाना
टिपिकल
है.
लेंज. नहीं नहीं, शी इज जस्ट अ टिपिकल लेंज. वो डे डे वन से देखें हमें क्या बता रहा है, वो उससे मना रहा है.
ना,
वो उससे मना
फीमेल
रहा है,
बात कर लो.
कभी वो रूठ जाती
हाँ.
है, कभी कुछ करती है. ही इज
हाँ.
जस्ट दिस स्टैंडर्ड इशू. वो जो वो एक फैक्ट्री है,
हाँ, assembly line
जो,
of whiny
yes,
fiance.
जियो ARY और हम हैव दिस फैक्ट्री जहाँ इस टाइप की एलीट क्लास लेंज जो है ना वो मैन्युफैक्चर होती हैं. अच्छा, तेरे बाल लंबे, तेरे बाल छोटे, तू ट्राउजर पहनेगी और तू दुपट्टा कभी कभी ले लेगी, लेकिन दे
हम्म.
ऑल कम फ्रॉम वन फैक्ट्री एंड देर ऑल टू
कट आउट.
डायमेंशनल. हाँ,
हम्म.
और सेल्फ सेंटर्ड है. एवरीथिंग हैपेंस, इट्स अबाउट मी.
हम्म.
वो लोगों के माँ बाप मर गए तो वो मेरी वजह से मर गए.
हाँ.
And it's kind of getting tiresome. Okay, look, if you can put that much effort into the other women, why not her? And it won't take away from the heroine's middle
No.
class beauty if you just make the other person just a little bit
Human.
superficial. Yeah,
No,
human.
human.
Human
Look,
her.
if I'm seeing a girl accuse my fiance, who I
Hmm.
don't alter, and you're absolutely right. Actually, you have a very good point there, and I want to build on that. अगर
Hmm.
आप ये थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी दिखाते हैं, and by the way, I think ऐश के जुनून is fabulously written. I think there's
Yes,
so many great
brilliant.
points, but like you rightly said कि वो जो एक कर्सरी बेचारी फीमेल हमने एक एंकर रखा हुआ होता है स्टोरी को
Right.
पिवट करने के लिए, तो अगर हम उसके लिए थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी दिखाते कि while she likes him, she doesn't altogether like him. Like, हाँ ठीक है,
He's more, I think both of them are in what I would call a suitable relationship
convenient.
at
हाँ हाँ
Abba's
हाँ,
approval.
agreed. Yes, Abbas approval. It makes
Yeah.
sense. The whole thing makes sense. मगर उनकी आपने केमिस्ट्री दिखाई, इतना ट्रस्ट दिखाया, इतना प्यार दिखाया, और
कौन
फिर
सा
आपने,
ट्रस्ट?
हाँ
कौन सा
नहीं
ट्रस्ट?
ट्रस्ट दिखाया ना, उसने उसको अपनी सारी बातें बताई हैं, उसको कहा है कि आई आई यू आर द ओनली पर्सन हु आई ट्रूली लव, एंड शी इज वेरी
Oh,
She's
I
not.
mean, from her part, she is, look, her
No,
father
but she's
said
there for
that
she's there
my
for him.
daughter is very hurt
Hmm.
from because I neglected her. हमारे parents की तलाक हुई थी, and they did give her some kind of story, लेकिन
Hmm.
she's not been allowed to
No,
have
no, I'm
any
talking
seat.
about her relationship. By story, I
Yeah,
mean a more nuanced story between her and Rahim. Like
yeah,
अगर उसकी और राहिम की रिलेशनशिप में आप कहीं कहीं थोड़ी सी दरारें दिखाते ना, तो जब ये इतना बड़ा डंडा
हाँ,
पड़ता ना उस रिलेशनशिप पे, तो उसने तड़क वो टूट गई तड़क करके वाली बात हो जानी थी, जो कि हुई। और मेरी समझ में ये नहीं आ रहा कि आपने उसको दिखाया है कि वो क्लियरली वो शी इज ब्रेकिंग इट ऑफ बिकॉज शी डजंट वांट एनीथिंग टू डू विद दिस बॉय एंड शी इज क्राइंग ओवर हिम। इतनी स्टूपिड है वो।
no, she's crying over herself, right? And which is, I'm sorry, Mahmood Heather is so beautiful, but I think she's missing the point. She's crying, oh my God, he's made me a victim,
But
right?
like you
And
said, Sadav, are
yeah,
elite girls this stupid? I don't think they are.
वो तो बल्कि इमोशनली एडवांस होती हैं because they've been read more, they understand more. तो
Exposure.
what, yeah, exposure to life. And what I expected her was to say was following the language that is used in contemporary relationships.
Hmm.
I'm sorry, this is my boundary. I'm cutting you
Yeah,
off.
this is done. We're
Yeah,
over.
this is done. We are over. It's
Hmm.
really painful to me, but this kind of thing is something I can't handle. Maybe I am
Hmm.
a terrible person and I don't love you enough for this. I'm sorry. Right?
Exactly.
Because,
And
yeah,
Sadav, this shows like when we, and I'm sorry, but Pakistani dramas unfortunately cannot get away with this kind of shoddy angles because
right.
it's such a great drama. Yash Kidron was such a great drama.
Oh, it's
It's
brilliant.
brilliant, right? So when you see these kind of gaping
Mm,
holes, you're like, bro, ye kyun nahi socha? And you know why we're thinking this way? It's because we are now exposed to not just one certain kind of drama, but we're exposed to a lot of other content, which maybe in 20 years ago people were not. But जो
mm.
हमारे ड्रामे लिखने वाले, कंटेंट वाले और कुछ कभी कभी कुछ चैनल्स वाले भी वो उस स्कीम में फंसे हुए हैं और वो उससे बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहते। उनको लगता है कि अगर हम ये
Well,
कुछ
my
एक्स्ट्रा।
opinion is different, right? मुझे लगता है कि the writer and the director want क्या उनका नाम है, शेरी का जो कैरेक्टर है राहिम,
राहिम जी
वो ये कि सारी दुनिया
मेरे
दुश्मन उसकी
खिलाफ है,
है,
हाँ हाँ।
and she is going to be one of his enemies. Very soon her father is going to turn against him instead of just saying, मैं बदला लूंगा तुम्हारा, or something like that. There's gonna
ओके
something's gonna pop up in which
ओके।
the father is also going to take part in the villainy, right? And because with all of these dramas, I've noticed there is a formula in which everything goes wrong,
हम्म
then you go halfway, and then the worm turns. So
हम्म।
I'm waiting for the worm to turn.
And anyway, just my last word on Ash Khajnoon is
Uh,
that it's brilliant. I love it. It's
it's
Ushna Shah
brilliant.
is so good. Furqan Qureshi's character is the standout character for me
Oh,
this week.
brilliant.
I think that
Yeah.
even last week it was, and this week also he is so good.
Irsa Ghazal. Okay,
Irsa
Furqan can
Ghazal,
come
oh
too. They can
my
share that name, right?
God. Irsa
It's
is Irsa is a genius. She's a genius.
well, did you see? I mean, like, it is not the son. Son तो मेरे ख्याल में there might be some redemption. वो औरत जो है वो अरफीन आफिया
Afia.
उसका नाम है.
Hmm.
I mean, I have never seen such cold-blooded acting.
Really?
मैं
But do you think I when she was talking to Eamon and when she was on the
Hmm,
phone, what I
yeah.
loved about Irsa is that she did not overdo her makeup or her villainy through dark
Hmm,
makeup. होता ना ये जैसे आपने कहा ना बाल छोटे होंगे लंबे होंगे दुपट्टा पहनेगी नहीं
hmm,
पहनेगी। तो एलिट क्लास की वो औरत उसने कही शी इज ड्रेस्ड वेरी प्लेनली and still
hmm,
she is bringing so much evil to the table. I think that speaks so well to the reality of women like her who are
hmm.
snakes in the grass. जिनकी वो सामने से पूरी एक फसाड बनी हुई होती है कि जिस वो जो जुमला वो कितना
एनजीओ
कमाल
लेडी,
राइटिंग है। वो
मैं तो
कितनी
एनजीओ
कमाल
चलाती हूँ.
एनजीओ चलाती है वो कितनी कमाल राइटिंग है और इतना मजे का
Hmm,
उसने एक्टिंग की है डायरेक्शन एवरीथिंग इज लाइक स्पॉट ऑन व्हेन शी इज ट्राइंग टू गैस लाइट एंड मैनिपुलेट एमन कि तो राहीम को अपने जराइम का वो करना होगा एंड think of it from Eamon's point of view. She is this victim and she's just looking at this person who's like, अरे ये तो लड़के की माँ है और मुझे ऐसे कह रही है कितनी अच्छी औरत होगी ये. And you're like, bro, you have no idea what kind of a snake this person
Yeah,
is.
I think Eamon has a good clue as to what is going on because
No, I don't think so.
she is. I'm gonna put my money on that she knows what's going on. लेकिन वो मजबूर हो के ये कर रही है because she's scared and confused. And
No.
I feel that that came out in the वो जो पुलिसमैन के सामने बैठ के वो थोड़ी सी उसकी कशमकश होती है ना. I feel that she was confused.
No.
She is. I think she was.
नहीं, बताएं
I
बताएं,
mean,
आप
like
अपना
she
आर्ग्यूमेंट बताएं,
knew.
फिर देन आई टेल यू व्हाट आई थिंक. हाँ.
Okay, my opinion is that she knew that it wasn't Rahim because
हम्म.
she remembers back that Rahim saved her from
हम्म.
drowning.
हम्म.
वो उस लड़के के, but she's a little bit confused, but she doesn't want to take Rahim's name.
ओके.
But because she has been brainwashed by that lady और जो उसके
हम्म.
ऊपर mental pressure and then her family is putting a lot of pressure on her, she takes the easy route of saying, हाँ Rahim.
Okay, I kind of agree with this. I thought you were saying something else, so I was saying that no.
Hmm.
Okay, when it comes to Aemon, I think that when the brain undergoes trauma like this, and
Hmm.
when you talk about short-term memory loss, and what happened with short-term memory loss is that she only lost recollection of certain events, not all events.
Okay.
So she knows that this is a good guy. Her confusion is coming from why am I taking his name because he's been such a good guy. So I agree with you on that. I
Hmm.
believe that एक साइकोलॉजी में एक फिनोमेनॉन होता है जिसमें जब हम अपनी प्रीवियस रिकलेक्शन हमें ठीक नहीं होती तो फिर हम उसमें अपनी चीजें एडिशन करते हैं. आवर ब्रेन
Right, build
ट्राइज
करते हैं एक
बिल्ड
वर्ड.
करते हैं. आवर ब्रेन ट्राइज टू फिट द मिसिंग पजल पीसेस. It's also sometimes even deja vu में ही होता है. Deja vu is a phenomenon where your brain is going through something it doesn't understand, so it goes back to the familiar sensation of, oh, this has happened before. Sometimes that's what the brain does. The brain is a funny thing. So what I think has happened is that she clearly does not remember who has done it. She does not know. She's genuinely aphased out of
I
it.
think she knew, she did know, but all of these things have come to confuse her. So basically, Auntie ji ka plan is working.
नो, आंटी जी का प्लान तो
ये.
वर्किंग लाइक अ चार्म. वो तो फिट तरीके से काम कर रहा है. मगर आई थिंक
Hmm.
कि वो एक्चुअली में उसको अभी भी नहीं पता, बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस विल कीप मेक द स्टोरी गो फार. This is
Hmm.
why she will keep on like कि कौन है, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And when she will see Shehroz, I think for the
The
first time
revelation will
after a
come.
while,
Yeah.
something will happen, but then it again will go at the back of her head because this whole thing, and then there'll be a new machination. Because अगर आपको initial teasers याद हो, तो बिल्कुल initial teasers में there's Rahim and Eamon kind of sweetly walking together and then taking selfies, smile करके वो शहरयार उसको कहता है, राहिम उसको कहता है. तो आई थिंक दैट इवेंचुअली राहिम विल, मेरा जो लगता है मुझे जो होगा आगे, कि राहिम इज गोइंग.
प्लान आपके मुंह से निकल गया आपका.
क्या?
आपका प्लान है ये.
मेरा प्लान है, हाँ, टोटली फीलिंग राहिम्स इंटेंशंस राइट नाउ, कि उस वो ये करेगा कि वो इस लड़की को फुल टाइम ऐसे शो करेगा कि नो, इट वाज अ लवर्स स्पैट एंड ही विल गेट दिस केस टू किल. बट आई थिंक उसका रियल जो इस वक्त डिटर्मिनेशन हमें रीसेंट एपिसोड में दिखा है, वो ये दिखा है
Hmm.
कि ही ट्रूली वांट्स टू गेट बैक एट द पीपल हु डिड दिस. ही इज नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ, but he is
Hmm.
truly now on this war path for revenge.
अच्छा, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन टू मी व्हाट हैपेंड टू मामू जी. क्योंकि पहले जो मामू जी थे
Hmm.
शरोज के,
Hmm.
हिज मामा, आफिया's
Hmm. Hmm.
ब्रदर, पहले वो कह रहे थे कि मैं तो तुम्हारे साथ नहीं दूंगा, तुम्हारा नकम्मा बेटा, ये
Hmm.
मैं साथ दिला के रहूंगा.
Hmm.
राइट. Then suddenly he is on Afia's side and
Hmm.
not understanding that.
आई
So
थिंक व्हाट हैपेंड, बीच में एक जुमला उन्होंने कहा था इसी इसी एपिसोड में, जब आप कह रही है ना कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं होगा, तो उसमें वो कहती हैं कि ये करूंगी वो करूंगी, तो वो आगे से कहती है अब लेट मी हैंडल इट माय वे. सो ही इज काइंड ऑफ, ही व्हाट ही डिड वाज दैट ही इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट इनिशियली जो उसके प्लान्स थे ना कि हम ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे ये फला कर देंगे, ही इज काइंड ऑफ ब्रॉट दैट बैक टू अ स्लाइटली सेन सिचुएशन, एंड ही इज क्वाइटली ट्राइंग टू हेल्प his sister and his nephew. But I think his core loyalty is with this sister, because this is why he's
of
doing
course,
it.
yeah, but I had hope that he at least was,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
I
स्टोरी खत्म हो
think
जाती है
for
फिर.
him, if I give him the benefit of the doubt,
हम्म.
he may be one of those people कि चलो इल्जाम तो लग जाएगा. He is probably the one who will offer Rhyme this solution
हम्म.
कि तुम उस लड़की से शादी कर लो, बात
हम्म.
रफा दफा
हाँ
हो
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
जाएगी,
गुड पॉइंट, गुड वन.
और ना ना वो वहां
यस,
प्रॉब्लम होगी ना यहाँ, and you can keep relations with your
दिस इज गोइंग टू
family.
हैपन, आई बेट.
I have a guess
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
what did they say? Something be मर जाए लेकिन something ना
सांप
टूटे,
भी मर
right?
जाए लाठी भी ना टूटे, हाँ।
There you go,
ठीक है।
right?
तो गाइज लेट अस
Yeah.
नो इन द कमेंट्स आपकी क्या थ्योरीज हैं अबाउट
Oh,
एयर
I'm not
शरीफ।
finished yet. I want to
ओ,
give a prize to Sharyar for
ओके,
brilliant
हलीम।
acting,
हलीम।
right? For his
हम्म।
frustration
हम्म।
and all of this, because I think he's somebody who gets ignored because of looks, right?
इज प्रिटी
Well
बॉय
done.
सिंड्रोम।
Yeah. So he is acting superb and very restrained.
हम्म।
Same with and Ushna Shah, because we gave her a lot of grief, or at least I did for Ghair,
हम्म।
because of those weird expressions and all those, curls. She
हम्म।
is brilliant in this. I mean, the way she woke up, her confusion, the way she's handling her meetings with her Afia. I
हम्म।
mean, it's amazing. And,
या
and
या
then you look at that and you say, okay, oh, why couldn't that happen in Ghair? And then you realize that the director in Ghair, I'm sorry, बहुत अच्छे director है, लेकिन you have to take care of the way your actors are performing and make it true to life, to make it
हम्म।
believe. So, and this is what Qasim Ali Mureed has done, right? No makeup post the accident, and Ushna doesn't need it. She's gorgeous.
She's gorgeous and she's a very
Yeah.
good, she can emote really well, but she doesn't need those ounces and ounces of lashes and curls
Yeah.
to, like, even in Ghair, which we'll come to shortly, there's this beautiful scene where she confronts Farjad. And ek to, it's not kirdar kushi, it's kirdar kashi, if I'm not mistaken. I just, and दूसरा
Is
ये
it
कि
Shahmat or Shahmat? That may be the good thing.
it's
We
Shamat.
had that way back, right?
हाँ,
So,
it's Shamat,
and then,
I think.
yeah, I know. And I was like Shahmat, and then I spoke to वो जो बड़े अच्छे प्रोफेसर हैं उर्दू लैंग्वेज के, वो जो
हाँ.
वाले हैं, he is on social media, तो वो कहते हैं it can be both.
It
So,
can be both, but Shehmat is what I've always heard growing up. And तो बस ये कुछ जो होती है ना, खुद कशी नहीं होती, खुद कुशी होती है और किरदार कशी होती है। सो
Kashi,
कशी, इट्स किरदार कशी को कशी का जब हम लफ्ज इस्तेमाल, दिल कशी, मतलब दिल
hmm,
को यूं कर दिया,
Dilkash,
लाइक
yeah.
मुस्तफा ने जो किया था ना, तो दिलकश, हमारे दिल पे वो लग
अरे
गया।
मुस्तफा कहाँ हो तुम?
कहाँ हो तुम, तुम्हारे बिन बड़ा अंधेरा है। हाय अल्लाह, याद आ गया मुस्तफा, याद आ गया फरहत, प्लीज राइट मोर फरहत इश्तियाक। सो आई थिंक कि खैर में वाकई उनके साथ ज्यादती हुई, उष्णा के साथ ज्यादती हुई है। उनको खूबसूरत बनाने के चक्कर में बेचारी को पता नहीं क्या बना दिया, बट आएंगे गैर के ऊपर। अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, स्पीकिंग
Mhm.
ऑफ मनी एंड प्राइजेस, वील टॉक अबाउट सुन मेरे दिल, 8 करोड़ सदफ। ये कहानी है 8 करोड़ की, जो
अरे
शुरू
ये
होती है
कहानी है बगैरत लोगों की, चलो।
यार वो सीन क्या है बिटवीन माया एंड वहाज, जिसमें वो, आई डोंट नो, आपने नहीं देखा, आपने नहीं देखा, राइट?
No, Alhamdulillah, I did not see it. So.
अच्छा, अस्तगफुरुल्लाह, आई डिड सी इट। एंड मेरी मेरी गुनाहगार आंखों ने ये ड्रामा देखा, और मैंने कहा क्यों, क्यों मैं देख रही हूँ, मगर मैं देख रही थी। और मैं पता, मैं लिटरली यूं थी मेरी शक्ल, जब मैं देख रही थी ना, हाँ,
You
स्पेशली
took
दैट
one for
सीन।
the team, है ना?
अरे बाप रे बाप, आई टुक अ बिग वन फॉर द टीम सदफ। देयर इज अ सीन वेयर शी इज गेटिंग मैरिड, and Bilal Abdullah comes to her, and she has this super moony dialogue with him. I mean, our readers and watchers will know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Bro, it's the cringiest dialogue. Like, who's calling Khalilur Rahman Kamar the best dialogue writer? My God. It's so bad. It's terrible. It's absolute terrible, horrible, 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 horrible.
Tell me, मुझे बताएं कि like I saw one teaser on Instagram,
Hmm.
and that's when I decided I'm not going to watch it, right?
Hmm.
Where she runs the door without a dupatta. I mean, who are you expecting to be at the door? And it's him. Suddenly ना अपना दुपट्टा ले लेती है,
हाँ.
and not understanding what this whole palaver is about. हाँ, एक आप हिजाबी हो या something like that. Yeah, suddenly your dupatta fell. Why is it? And like when you went to ask him for 8 crore, and when you go to the office, you
दुपट्टा
don't
पहना हुआ
seem
था उन्होंने सर.
to mind that. You don't seem to mind to be without a dupatta. And I personally, I would like to talk to our drama makers. They don't make fun of dupattas and dupatta wearing. Right? This is our cultural thing. It's a religious thing. So, sometimes I think they make a joke out of it. So I don't know. I didn't like that, and I don't like the way she uses it. And it's been used in this drama, and particularly to define who is good and who is bad. I didn't like it.
I think this
So
drama is evil. This is
yeah,
the one word I would want to describe it with.
I again
It's
I'll say
evil.
this falls into red pill incel territory.
Yeah.
And those of you who don't understand, just
Please
Google
Google
it.
it. Please Google
Yeah,
it. No, you need to
Google it.
Google it.
All right, because what it is you read these Reddits or these Twitter threads or whatever on social media, and they say, कि लड़की जो है, she will go, and it's true, she'll
Hmm.
go for a druggie because
Hmm.
he needs my help and I love him and all of this, but a good man who wants to marry her, no, it's just you're too good for me. And
Hmm.
I think this maybe there are some women like that, but are they worth then turning into a heroine? I don't know.
Sadaf,
Right?
the whole premise is terrible. It's misogynistic. It's problematic. It's
Mm.
absolute. It's actually misanthropy also. I mean, it's not just a dim view of women. It's a dim view of humanity, to be honest. Because you have this sweet little boy called Amar. मतलब जो भी आप उसको
Mm.
कहेंगे
Is he
उसके
sweet? I don't think
मतलब
he's
यार
sweet.
देखें मतलब ये है कि वो तो मोहब्बत में गिरफ्तार होके सब कुछ कर रहा है ना उसके लिए आपने तो ये दिखा
Really?
रहे हैं ना हाँ तो वो आप यही दिखा रहे हैं मोहब्बत में कर रहा है जो भी कर रहा है मोहब्बत एक बहुत नोबल जज्बा है और मेरी बात सुने शी आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस शी रिजेक्टेड अमार शी वांटेड टू गिव herself for 8 crore sell herself for 8 crore then the guy who she was trying to sell herself to wants to marry her she says no goes back to the guy she refuses to marry in the first place तुझे कोई नहीं मिल रहा दुनिया में बहन कोई नहीं है दुनिया में और तेरे रिश्ते ही नहीं आते कहीं भी कहीं से भी
How else are we gonna make Bilal Abdullah look good?
exactly exactly and the effort to make Bilal Abdullah look good has demeaned and diminished every other character because I think the writer himself sees himself in the male lead and he is either a martyr or it's a beyond good person and everybody else is evil. Hamsha evil, Ammar stupid and okay evil even possibly, Sadaf evil. बाकी लोग भी यूजर्स अब्यूजर्स नोबडी इज गुड इन हिज वर्ल्ड मैन हाउ इज
I
दैट
think
पॉसिबल
it's like it's a frustration, and I think I'm gonna tie this to Ghair, right?
हम्म
Because we're gonna go on to Ghair after
यस
this, right?
यस यस
So
यस
my
यस
piece on this is, why do you love people?
हम्म
Right? Maybe मैं बनावटी किस्म का person हूँ. मैं ना I don't fall in love with people or characters. I fall in love with a reason.
हम्म
कि चलो आपको infatuation होती है शुरू में. You know those stages of love that Farhat Ishtiyaq told us about. So
हम्म
एक उनसीयत होती है. So when he sees Sadaf, he's attracted to her. He
हम्म
doesn't know her, so it's not love. It's a first
इट्स
stage of
अट्रैक्शन
attraction.
हम्म
Then he learns about her. He goes to the second stage. क्या बड़ी अच्छी character की है, बड़ी वो है, बड़ी
हम्म
ये है. So that is, but to get to these things in which you get to Aqidat and he's going to you don't know this woman from Adam and
हम्म
she makes the worst choices, treats you like dirt. तो
या
तुम suddenly, you are a martyr. I don't understand this kind of attitude. Perhaps men are like that, but you know what? I think that people should value themselves a little more. That's all I'm going to say. अगर आप किसी से प्यार करते हो, ask yourself why. And I see this with Osama Khan's character in Ghair,
हम्म
right? That Shifa is a complete snake, right?
या
A
हॉरिबल
dangerous
पर्सन
person to be around.
ओपनली हॉरिबल पर्सन
Yeah, she is a danger. I mean, forget about horrible, but she's annoying, but she's hot, right? No, that's not going to work. She's a dangerous person.
हम्म
If she's upset with someone, she is willing to do absolutely anything to,
हम्म
get them out the way. I
हम्म
wouldn't want that kind of person in my house.
yeah just
And the
wrapping up
same
on
with this, Bilal Abdullah is desperate for Sadaf.
hmm
Sadaf jo hai, they have shown her to be brainless. She wasn't brainless before, but she's become. And
yeah
I just don't understand this. Na, and but वो कहते हैं ना, you should not put people before God. And मुझे लगता है कि बिलाल अब्दुल्ला कुछ ऐसा ही कर रहा है. He's doing something wrong.
but Sadaf, that is the whole point of Khalil Rahman Kamar's story. This story
Hmm.
is an indictment for what he thinks. It's his indictment towards good women, towards intelligent, पढ़ी लिखी, मिडिल क्लास, एजुकेटेड, emancipated women. We don't see Sadaf as a like you keep calling it भोली लड़की. She's not some dumb भोली लड़की. She's a smart, educated, well-spoken woman who's coming from a good family, good values, good parenting, good relationship with mother, father. साइकोलॉजी में जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो हम साइकोलॉजी में जब क्रिमिनल बिहेवियर देखते हैं तो क्रिमिनल बिहेवियर में हम यही देखते हैं कि वो पैटर्न्स इमर्ज होते हैं कि कहाँ पे या तो कोई साइकोटिक ब्रेक हुआ है जब आप इस तरह की बकवास बात कर रहे हैं या जब इस तरह की डिस्टर्बिंग बात कर रहे हैं, या आपकी रिलेशनशिप शुरू से ही किसी के साथ अच्छी नहीं थी तो आपने इवेंचुअली एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया, ट्रॉमा हुआ तो आपने ये फाइनली यू टर्न इनटू सम, यू डिड समथिंग, एन एक्ट ऑफ विलनी. तो आप जब स्टडी करते हैं एक कैरेक्टर को या एक इंसान को तो आप इस तरह स्टडी करते हैं कि क्या प्रेसिडेंट्स थे, क्या एंटेसिडेंट्स थे उसके इस बिहेवियर के. सदफ को, और दिस इज व्हाई आई फील ट्रिगर्ड एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट बिकॉज इट्स बैड कैरेक्टर राइटिंग, and I feel triggered as a feminist because it's a terrible, 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 terrible thing to say.
Hmm.
A woman who's a good woman, who's a nice woman, who's educated, who's smart, who's capable, who's responsible, will do this. No, she will not. No, she will not. She will not sell herself for 8 करोड़ क्या, 15 करोड़, 20 करोड़. हमें भी जरूरत है, आपको भी जरूरत है. Everybody likes money. Nobody hates
We
it.
लोग, I mean, I find it insulting, honestly.
Obviously, it's
Disgusting.
insulting. It's an insult to women, this show, and I'm so sad that so many of our great actors are in it. I mean, Vahaj really needs to take a step back and look at his script
Yeah, I
choices.
really do. I don't think Maya should have done this. I don't think
No, not at all.
Osama or Wahaj should. They're good
No.
actors, and I
Hmm.
wish them all the best
But
for
they
their
did
new
it because of
project.
Khalilur Rahman Kamar. Osama said this to me in his interview
Yeah,
also.
मैं ये जो है ना पूजा करनी बंद करें खलील और मान कमर की. I think
Seriously.
not all his scripts are good. I enjoyed Gentleman. Gentleman was a better script,
Yeah,
but
definitely.
and there are other things. Pyare Afzal, I love it.
Amazing,
Yeah,
amazing. I think Pyare Afzal is one of the smartest shows that
classics,
yeah,
classics
classics, smartest
of
shows
our
we've
of the
we've we've
genre.
seen.
Yeah.
Yes, we've seen on TV. उसमें हर चीज बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करके दिखा के बता के, जुमले भी उसमें बहुत अच्छे थे. मगर भाई जब अच्छा जेंटलमैन में भी अगर वो कुछ चीजें थोड़ी सी आगे पीछे आई थिंक हाइसम को करने देते, या कोई भी कंटेंट वाला बंदा उस पर बैठ के थोड़ी सी वर्किंग करता तो वो बहुत अच्छा ड्रामा होता. इट ऑल्सो वुड हैव बीन अ क्लासिक ड्रामा बिकॉज उसके अंदर बहुत सारी थीम्स इतनी
There's
अच्छी
a
थी
lot of
कि
potential there. Yeah.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फैक्ट दैट yes, white collar crime does not get the hate that this kind of crime does. That's
Right.
true, that's a fact.
And who is the actual
Who's the
villain?
actual criminal, who's
And those
the
were
real
good
puppeteer?
ideas from
Yeah,
Khalil sir.
yeah,
Those were
yeah,
good
yeah.
ideas.
But I'm sorry, not everything that's going to come out of his pen is going to be gold. So
Acha,
मेरे लिए is
also,
prime
can I
example.
say this? We need to stop glorifying this one-sided love. I don't like it. मुझे ना बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है कि people are obsessing over a certain person that is emotionally unavailable to you.
Hmm.
That is kind of like self-harm.
Of course it
It
is.
shouldn't be glorified. It is self-harm.
It is
You
self-harm,
know,
and also it speaks, again, speaking psychologically, it speaks a lot about a person who is okay with not being reciprocated for an emotion that is so powerful. For
mm,
example, let's say if I am admiring something, like I'm admiring a piece of beauty or art or something, giving an example just to शो फॉर स्केल, कि अगर मुझे कोई पेंटिंग अच्छी लग रही है और मुझे इतनी पसंद है कि मैं उसको देख के परेशान हो रही हूँ, तो दो तीन तरीके होते हैं. या मैं उसको हासिल करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, उस जैसी चीज को हासिल करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, या वो चीज बनाने की कोशिश करूंगी, या उसके बारे में और जानने की कोशिश करूंगी. ऐसा नहीं होता कि मैं वो पेंटिंग देख के मैं स्टूपर में चली जाऊँ, मैं कोमा में चली जाऊँ उस पेंटिंग को देख के, मुझे इतनी पसंद आ रही है. आई थिंक वन साइडेड लव इज दैट. आप उसको देखे जा रहे हैं, देखे जा रहे हैं, देखे जा रहे हैं, बट आपकी आगे क्या करना है आपको, आपकी कोई कोई कुवत नहीं है इस चीज के अंदर. अच्छा, फिर हमने वो जो दूसरी
you'll
टॉक्सिक,
be like Ayn Rand and you'll throw it over out a window.
या
Yeah.
और जैसे आपने बड़ी सही बात की कि ये इट्स टॉक्सिक बिकॉज इट हर्ट्स पीपल. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट यूजुअली वी शो इन आवर ड्रामास कि वो तो मुनी टूनी म्यूजिक लगा के वो अब उनके ख्वाबों में ख्यालों में पड़े रहेंगे, जैसे उनको कोई काम नहीं
हाँ,
है जिंदगी में
चांद
नौक.
कितना प्यारा लग रहा है.
इट रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ हर. मतलब उनको कोई काम पे नहीं जाना होता, उस रात में बैठ के वो चांद देख रहे होते हैं. तो ये जो लूजर होते हैं उनका काम होता है इस तरह की वन साइडेड लव के ऊपर लंबा लंबा सोचना, लंबी लंबी कहावतें करना. मूव ऑन, गॉड हैज गिवन यू सो मच, मूव ऑन. एनीवे फ्रेंड, वी विल मूव ऑन टू गैर. हमारे पास क्या कमाल नेक्स्ट चीज आई है, लेकिन
ओके, मुझे बताएं. Tell
हाँ.
me why does Salis like Shifa? Was she conveniently available? You know, that hot cousin.
Hmm.
That's all. I mean, because there is nothing about Shifa that is actually likable, right? Because the part that was likable, मुझे याद है पहले वफा और Shifa used to get on quite well.
Hmm.
So that part of Shifa has long disappeared.
Hmm.
And I'm trying to figure out why don't we see that part of Shifa? There was actually a moral part to Shifa at some point.
Hmm.
Everybody was hating on Wafa,
Hmm.
and Shifa used to ignore them and say, Koi baat nahi, come on, you know. And they were quite pleasant to each other.
Hmm. I think
Even
Shifa
even
is
when,
जी
sorry, go ahead.
नहीं नहीं बताइए बताइए
Now, even when she kind of, when Wafa, sorry, when Shifa used Wafa
हम्म
to get to Salis, it wasn't about blaming her in the beginning. In the beginning, it was, अच्छा चलो, you know, इन दोनों की अगर करा देंगे ना अदील के कैरेक्टर से, फरजाद के कैरेक्टर से, तो then, you know, it'll make it easier for us, blah, 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 blah. It
हम्म
wasn't like that. Lekin,
हम्म
I think, and this is a point that maybe is lost in this whole drama, when you have these authoritarian parents, when you have these
हम्म
authoritarian setups,
हम्म
people are literally forced to lie. They
yeah
live double lives, they live lives
yeah
of
yeah
deceit.
agreed great point. No, I agree with you. I think that the kind of oppressive bhai that Farjad is
Mm.
and the kind of weird Babar Ali ka character bhi is just so angry all the time.
And to Zanjabil's credit, she Wafa points it out to him.
Hmm.
She says to Farjad, "Ki you're the author of my misery." Yeah, saying
Hmm.
the
No, no, that
truth.
scene was brilliant. I'll come to that.
Yeah.
But before that, I want to address
Mm.
why you're saying that, or why your question, ke bhai, why does he like
Mm.
Wafa? I think that if you look at Salas's character, it's a
Mm.
very wishy-washy सा character. मतलब उसके अंदर कोई
Mm.
strength नहीं है और वो
Very
किसी
ambivalent. Yeah.
ambivalent और उसामा ने अपने इंटरव्यू में भी मुझे कहा कि वो indecisive है and that describes
Yeah.
it well. But
Mm.
also I think it adding more to that is that जब इस तरह के मर्द होते हैं ना तो वो बहुत
Mm.
सारी बर्बादी की वजह होते हैं क्योंकि
Yep.
जो बार बार सबा हमीद का कैरेक्टर उनको बात करता है कि तुम औरत के पीछे से वार करते हो तुम औरत के पीछे से वार करते हो ऑल्दो टू मच ऑफ दैट डायलॉग इज गेटिंग इट एन ओवरकिल बट दैट्स अ रियली गुड पॉइंट कि ये जो औरतों के पीछे खड़े होके आप अपनी सारी जो जंग लड़ रहे हैं वो आप व्हाट
Mm.
डज दैट से अबाउट यू ब्रो और सालिस इज नॉट समबडी हु
Message to KRQ as well. Okay.
माय गॉड जो जो सालिस जैसे मर्द होते हैं जब वो इस तरह के प्रॉब्लमेटिक सिचुएशंस में आते हैं ना तो दे नेवर डू द राइट थिंग दे ऑलवेज टेक अ स्टेप बैक वो कहते हैं ना देर एब्सकॉन्डर्स वो भाग जाने वाले होते हैं भगौड़े होते हैं वो तो वो क्या करते हैं कि वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की पहली साइड से ही भाग जाते हैं क्योंकि उनके अंदर इतनी स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कैरेक्टर नहीं होती अच्छा तो ये आई थिंक दो पोल्स ऑफ मैस्कुलिनिटी या दो टाइप्स ऑफ मैस्कुलिनिटी काइंड ऑफ डिपिक्ट करता है कि एक
Hmm.
तरफ फरजाद है जो कि
Hmm.
एक बिल्कुल ट्रिगर हैप्पी पागल मोरॉनिक किस्म का आदमी है हर बंदे पे चिख रहा होता है वो यू नो ही रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ बेन स्टिलर्स कैमियो इन फ्रेंड्स सॉरी आई एम वाचिंग फ्रेंड्स दीस डेज सो लॉट ऑफ दोस examples are coming up you know he's screaming at the chick and the duck for no reason and you know he's screaming at random people for no reason that's Farjad to me in my head and you have this other boy which is a nice kid he's a better person than Farjad but he has no
Is he? I don't think he's a better person, but go on.
he's a better person than Farjad like मार दूंगा
I
कत्ल कर
think he
दूंगा
reacts differently, but basically the same weasels. Go on. Pura
Hmm.
Khandan is full of weasels. Go
हाँ
on.
I feel like and again you know that whole track with the girl the new girl that has come in Ghair I mean please you should have picked a better actress and that probably even that whole track should have been written better they're trying
Hmm.
to introduce a
Terribly written.
it's
Badly written.
terrible absolute mess of a track
Cringe-worthy.
cringe
Halanki
and
actress is so
cut
pretty. I
she's so
don't blame,
pretty she
you
can't
know,
act
she's so
bichari
gorgeous.
can't
Can't
act
act.
can't act probably too many fillers or something but yeah just like and you know certain roles are meant for girls like that you used to sit look pretty and just give two expressions here two there खत्म हो गया लेकिन यहाँ पे proper track चलने
Maybe
वाला है
she'll improve.
maybe
Huh.
she'll improve yeah she's a pretty girl but no for now she's not good at all so but yeah and about that scene where Ushna kind of gives it Wafa gives a takedown to
Yeah.
Farjat thought that scene was so brilliant. I think that giving voices to women or female characters is so essential. And it's not, I won't even say कि, oh, we need to tell all women stories. I'm saying what happens is that हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे पिछले कुछ अरसे में जो हमने औरतों के ऊपर कहानियां बनाई हैं और हम औरतों पे ही ज्यादा कहानियां बनाते हैं, चुप बैठी हुई है, बैठी हुई है, बैठी बोल ही नहीं रही बहन तू, तेरे सा मसला क्या है, तू किसी के ऊपर तो भड़ास निकाल, अपनी इंसान है भाई तू, मतलब मुंह में जबान अल्लाह मैंने तुमको दी है, इतनी तो हर औरत, इतना तो हर औरत ही बोल लेती है, इतना तो बोल ही लेती है। लेकिन नहीं भाई, वो ऐसी खामोशी की मूर्तियां होती हैं, हमारे यहाँ हीरोइन थी, अब नहीं है, थैंक गॉड। तो ये आई फाउंड इट वेरी गुड, आई फाइंड दिस ट्रेंड रियली गुड, कि
Hmm.
somehow somewhere the character will tell you how they feel. And you're very right, she's spot on when she says, and you're spot on to pick that up, ke you're the author of my misery, you are the real culprit in this whole situation.
Yeah, not Salis से तो गलती जो होती है,
Hmm.
but Fajad is the one who triggers everything,
Yeah.
and it doesn't matter how good looking Adil Hussain is, he is the
He's so
villain
good.
in that
And
context.
he's
Yeah,
such a good actor. He's a very good
yeah,
actor.
very good.
Very good
Very
actor.
good. I mean, I like that drama. I'm not sure why, because it's completely confusing, and I will
It's
give
it's it's junk
points to the
food.
director.
It's
No, no,
McDonald's.
yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, absolutely. I will give credit to the director because Yasir Nawaz है ना, तो
Hmm.
I'll give it. He knows how to ये junk food को लेके ना, अब वो
Hmm.
नहीं है, कुछ लोग होते हैं उनमें टैलेंट होता है प्रेजेंटेशन का, so
He's
editing and the
reconstructed it.
presentation, or he'll put a little cocktail umbrella in it, और वो जो कोका कोला आपका था ना, वो एकदम प्यारा सा लगने लगता है because it's been poured in a pretty glass and you've got a cocktail.
बिल्कुल
But in the
बिल्कुल.
end, it is Coca-Cola,
In
right?
the end,
So
it's Coca-Cola. It'll
I
burn your
think towards,
intestines.
yeah, what's going to happen is towards the end, because I've seen Shak, I've seen Chup Raho, we are going to say, अच्छा, तो इतना शोर मचाया हुआ था इस बात पे. So
Nah.
I've been disappointed a lot of times. Maybe I won't be this time. Okay. But I think with him, because there's a lot of jewels in this thing,
Hmm.
whereas, not just with Ushna Star styling, there are other things. I mean, with Ishmira Jan, she just
Hmm.
recovered from stomach pumping. I mean, and all this kind of thing, full makeup, तो हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब को नोटिस नहीं हुआ. Whereas
Hmm.
you compared with Qasim Ali Mareed, and when Ushna Shah wakes up from, I mean, so much trauma and
Hmm.
everything, it looks like this girl went through something.
Hmm.
So just a note there. But otherwise, the slickness and the editing, yeah, we are interested to know कि इसका resolution क्या होगा, you know.
I think
And
that a lot of stuff is about to happen because they've used a lot
yeah.
of tropes one by one. माँ को हार्ट
Hmm.
अटैक हो गया, बेटी ने
Hmm.
खुदकुशी करने की कोशिश की, उन दोनों लड़का लड़की हाथ पकड़ के खड़े थे, अचानक से सबने देख लिया। आई थिंक वो खवातीन डाइजेस्ट का हर एक ट्रोप एक एक करके यूज हो रहा है।
Hmm.
आई थिंक वंस शी एग्जॉस्ट देम ऑल देन वील सी द रेजोल्यूशन जो कि होगा, या तो
But
अब फिर
it may be not as exciting as we hoped,
या
right? So,
अभी बीच में आई थिंक बीच में एक दफा दादा को हार्ट अटैक आना है या कोई मौत होनी
अच्छा,
है। आई थिंक एक मौत रहती है बीच में, अभी
सबकी
मौत।
बारी है ना.
हाँ, तो वो अब एक एक करके आई थिंक वो सारे ट्रोप्स यूज होंगी।
I know, and also they're building this thing that we all love, is that Saza Jaza gradient, in
हम्म।
which we're waiting for Tahreem Pupo's upcomings.
हाँ वो कमअपन्स।
Upcoming? Comeuppance, right? There you
कमअपन्स,
go.
हाँ। हाँ।
Comeuppance.
हाँ।
तहरीम पुप्पो की जब वो होगी ना पर्दाफाश हो, क्योंकि देखो, the one that is protecting Tahreem is her eldest sister,
She's so good though. That
Tehreem.
actress is so Madhya Iftikhar.
Oh,
It's
she's
so,
brilliant.
I
I
love it.
love
It's
her.
like I laugh at her scenes. Like it's so enjoyable. Like she's so unapologetically evil, and you enjoy
Yeah,
characters like that.
and miserable, right?
Miserable. Oh, she loves misery. She's like Maleficent before the
Mm,
prequel. It's like you just
yeah.
love this character who's going to come and wreak havoc. She's going to change everything,
And
everyone's life.
she has zero scruples about using everybody, right?
Yeah.
I would actually love to see Dr. Jalil come back and slap her, but I'm not violent.
लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस टू पुप्पो जानी। बड़ा ही कोई लंबा सीन होना है इनके साथ, तो सही होगी, क्योंकि इतने अरसे से उनकी ईविल को वो एस्केप होता दिखा रहे हैं
Yeah,
टिल
but
एंड में।
you say all of this, she's going to get exposed, and then the next day everybody's going to, Papa, aapne chai peeni hai? Because that's our joint family system. So,
Forgive and forget and move on
yeah.
even from toxicity. चलें जी,
Mm.
last lot on our agenda is Farar. Sadaf, your take.
I don't know why it's not more popular. It's so much fun. I really
Hmm.
enjoy it. And
So
I
well
think
done.
Yeah, I mean, I think Green has made a huge mistake. They should have at least 2 episodes a week
Yeah, you
because
said that.
it is a low content episode. It's based
Hmm.
on action. You can get away with stuff like that in films, but when you have
Hmm.
a drama, you need some content, you need some grip for the audience, something for the audience to hold on to. And
Hmm.
we've got so many dramas got on that are coming in that sometimes it's easy to forget.
Hmm.
What's going on? अच्छा इसको भी देखना था.
भाई ये तो
हालांकि I mean it
ग्रीन ने
has
किया
some
तो था,
good.
पता नहीं किया तो था, फिर पता नहीं चेंज कर दिया इन्होंने.
Yeah, I think the 1 episode format is really doing it in two
Hmm.
episodes a week, and it would be brilliant.
It would be picking up. I think their show Iqtidar, Green's show Iqtidar is very popular because I think
Yeah, I
Iqtidar
love
में,
that.
yeah, उसमें
हालांकि
उनके.
I shouldn't. It is so. Acha, that is a whole other conversation, right there.
Hmm.
What? But I'll come back to it. Go on.
Yeah, no, I didn't enjoy Iqtidar because I think that it's maybe I'm a very cynical person. I'm a pessimist or something because मुझे romance बहुत मुश्किल से I catch on to it or I
अच्छा,
will watch the whole thing because of the romance. I'm maybe not a romantic person, so
I don't see it as a romance so much. This is a very Indianized version of
yeah, that's
Pakistani
also something
drama.
I don't like.
That is, I've noticed there's been a pivot because we see, when I go to my sister-in-law's house,
Hmm.
she loves Indian dramas. तो मैं
Hmm.
कभी कभी देखती हूँ तो यही होता है कि किसी impossible long-term situation में डालते हैं and every week there's a, oh, she won that scene. Oh,
Hmm.
she lost that scene, right? It's a
Hmm.
very Indianized, but it does retain the Pakistani touch of logic, right? It
Hmm.
hasn't completely lost that, but it's very Indianized.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah, not my
I,
type. Not my type.
I don't know. It wouldn't have been my type, but I like Ali Raza and I
Yeah.
like Anmol Baloch. There's two beautiful people and they're
Hmm.
acting very well. I mean,
Hmm.
like I think way back I said, oh, Anmol Baloch, she's so pretty, she doesn't need to act, but
Hmm.
she's acting.
No, she's
She's
doing good. जो
actually.
मैंने सीन देखे हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं उनके
Mm.
सीन्स और I think Ali Raza has so much potential. I'm happy
Oh
that he's
man.
yeah he's coming with I think Suhai on some
Yes.
ARY
This
show.
is going to be amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's going to be amazing because she's brilliant. I love Suhai.
And he said apparently in some interview that he rejected 16 scripts
Yeah, he
before
said
he.
that. Yeah, because he didn't
Yeah,
want to
and
do second lead or
that
something.
takes a lot of guts, right?
Hmm.
To be this. And Wahaj Ali, are you listening?
बेचारा, वाह इतना अच्छा है भाई, आप बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं.
कोई बेचारा नहीं,
बहुत
Wahaj
अच्छे
is one
एक्टर
of
हैं,
our
ये क्या कर रहे हो
superstars.
यार, ये क्या
Yeah.
कर रहे हो. बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हो भाई, वहाज क्या कर रहे हो. सदफ आई थिंक मेरे मेरे साथ मुझे जो दुख होता है ना वहाज को देख के,
Mm.
फवाद को देख के. फवाद पाकिस्तान को प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं करते, वहाज क्या स्क्रिप्ट प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं, मुझे बड़ा दुख होता है. बिकॉज मैं कहती हूँ यार ये इतने प्यारे प्यारे एक्टर्स, इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स जो कि हम डिजर्व करते हैं इनसे अच्छा काम देखना. और मैं गारंटी कर सकती हूँ कि वहाज के पास बहुत अच्छे अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट्स आए होंगे जो उन्होंने नहीं किए होंगे. ही मस्ट हैव चोजन दिस. सो
I
ब्रो.
know what he's doing is I'm guessing. I say I know just mujhe, he calls and says, "Son, this is what I'm doing." No, he didn't. That was just meri ख्वाहिश है. Anyway,
50 करोड़
what
के साथ.
I think he's like building up his commercial base. Okay, I want to be a
व्हाट, तेरे
commercial.
बिन wasn't enough.
No, maybe it wasn't. I mean, you look at his choices, meh, which is very much a commercial thing.
Hmm.
I don't know if it actually got any TRPs. I know it
It
got a
did.
lot of views for absolutely no reason. So,
Hmm.
I mean,
Horrible.
हमें वो नफरत उससे हो रही थी, लेकिन other people obviously enjoyed it. But I think it was a glow from Tere Bin. And
Hmm.
then I think it's been downhill from there.
मुझे
So
प्यार
they
हुआ
do
था
a
was
very,
also very
yeah.
bad.
Yeah, I think that he himself in all these shows was brilliant. And this is was the sad part is que, hey, you know what? This is a big opportunity for you. Please don't waste it. And I'm glad that
Hmm.
Ali Reza gave that interview or whatever, because it's a reminder to people. Then there's like sometimes I think that you can price yourself out of the market. There are people that I know that
Hmm.
were so picky that we don't see them on screen that much because producers are not always listening to what you want. So
Hmm.
there has
Hmm.
to be a balance. But I'm glad that he chose that Iqtidar. Jaisa bhi hai, maze ka show hai. And I think we should see great things from Ali Raza. I think even that small part he had in Dunyapur was really good. And by
Hmm.
the way, if we have to talk about chemistry, man, Ramsha Khan and Khushhal
खुशहाल
Khan
खान.
in
Hmm.
Dunyapur, I mean,
Yeah.
those scenes, बाकी का ड्रामा छोड़ो, वो scenes between Ramsha and him were
Hmm.
like turning me into a teenager.
Mm. Acha, I'm so different from like this thing.
Hmm.
I don't get caught in the chemistry that much. I think the last thing I remember getting caught in that level of chemistry was possibly
Mhm.
Tere Bin. And again, it wasn't like I watched the drama because of them. That drama was overall वही Indianized. तो आप फंस जाते हैं ना किसी ड्रामे में. It was
Hmm.
that. But I think a insane level of chemistry थी वहाज और यमुना
Oh,
की.
Wahaj and Yumna.
Insane. Oh my God, next
When you
level.
want insane
Came out
levels
of
of
nowhere.
chemistry.
Came out of
Yeah,
nowhere. Absolute. Nobody was
I
expect.
am so used to seeing Yumna as this kind of like good girl, like she is
Yeah,
interested in
yeah,
Wahaj.
yeah, yeah. So
And then if you put her with Wahaj, it's like, oh my God, we'd better separate these two immediately. हालांकि उन गरीबों को पता भी नहीं होगा.
हाँ, तो
And
मतलब
it's
इंस्टेंट
just
फायर थे दोनों. तो
on screen,
वो
on
मुझे
screen.
ब्लोन अवे वाली केमिस्ट्री अगर वो थी. फिर फहद और हानिया की भी इट वाज मोर लेस केमिस्ट्री एंड मोर फ्रेंडशिप and
Hmm.
togetherness which you
It
crave
was
and
comfortable.
which
It was
which
so
Farhat is just so
like,
good at. It's so
hmm.
good at. She's so brilliant at it. And that's the kind of stuff that I love, I think. And even अभी ये जो जितने भी ड्रामे हम देख रहे हैं, जफा की बात कर रहे हैं, ऐश के जुनून है, सुन मेरे दिल है, गैर है, इनमें कोई भी ऐसी ड्रामा नहीं है जिसमें आप कहोगे यार सब छोड़ें एक तरफ और केमिस्ट्री एक तरफ. जैसे आप इक्तदार की
Hmm.
बात कर रही हैं, खुश दुनियापुर की बात कर रही हैं.
Yeah, but the thing is with Dunyapur and Iqtidar,
हम्म.
right? वो actors को curious कि they created something, हालांकि but the rest of the story does not focus on the chemistry.
But can
Even
I tell you that I
Iqtidar,
don't think actors can do much either, because let's say,
uh-huh.
because I feel like chemistry, like the elements, is not
Hmm.
like you add chlorine to potassium, you'll get a
Hmm.
different result. And you add chlorine to sodium and it'll be a different result. So, just like elements, human beings and actors especially are also, react differently with different people. And I
Yeah,
think
but the chemical reactions can sometimes surprise you, right? But I
100%, yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, because I find zero chemistry in Tere Bin with for anybody with anybody. I don't see any chemistry
या
there.
नहीं, मगर मैं ये
Anybody.
बात कह रही हूँ कि आप एक्टर्स एक्टर्स खुद भी हर
Mm.
जो समी खान है, समी खान
Yeah,
हैज डन ग्रेट वर्क विद सोनिया हुसैन. मतलब आई लव्ड व्हाट वाज दैट ड्रामा,
yeah,
सराब.
they're great together.
सराब
Yeah.
कितना प्यारा ड्रामा था, और वो एक बहुत ही टेंशन वाला ड्रामा था,
Hmm.
कॉन्स्टेंट एक स्ट्रेस वाला ड्रामा था वो. बट तो
अच्छा.
अब समी खान की उनके साथ होती है, बट इट डजंट मीन कि समी खान इज नॉट अ गुड एक्टर.
Hmm.
with let's say he's in another show with another lady, and वो कैरेक्टर अगर उनके साथ नहीं बन रहा है
Yes,
केमिस्ट्री,
Samir and
तो
Yumna are very good too.
Sami
I
and
love
Yumna are very good also.
Samir.
So what I'm saying is that good actors can, yes, create chemistry with everybody, but sometimes some of that chemistry is like off the charts bonkers. Like
Hmm.
you have Humayun with Mehwish, or that
Hmm.
was just like next level, maybe even better than
Mahira
Humayun
and
and
Fawad.
Mahira and
The
Fawad.
OGs,
Biggest
Mahira and
OGs,
Fawad.
man. तो
Yeah.
सजल एंड आहत, तो वो
Hmm.
एक अलग ही लेवल का ऑरा था उनका. फिर आपके पास सबा कमर जो हैं, वो उनके उनके भी जो उन्होंने अपने इरफान खान के साथ रोल्स किए, या वैसे भी जो वो करती रही हैं.
नहीं, नुमान एजाज के साथ जो
नुमान
है ना,
एजाज तो
सबा
हाँ,
कमर इज
लेकिन
अमेजिंग.
आई फील लाइक नो, आई थिंक सबा इज वन ऑफ दोज एक्टर्स, वो इतना खा जाती हैं, किसी और की जगह छोड़ती नहीं है वो. आई थिंक शी इज
You
वन ऑफ
need
दोज
a
एक्टर्स.
strong actor in front of her.
या एंड
That's
आई
true.
वांट टू सी
But
फवाद विद सबा एक्चुअली.
actually, in Dastan, I know they were Khala and Bhatija, but they
Ooh.
were so good together.
But
They were so
hello,
good. I
Fawad
want
and
to,
Sanam, OG chemistry. Bro,
yeah.
that's OG
No, but
chemistry.
Fawad with all these people, yes, but I'd love to see Sabah Kamar and Fawad Khan.
Yeah, that
I'd
was
love to
amazing.
see them. They would
But
be
Miss
amazing.
Marvel में तो फवाद की मेविश के साथ भी बहुत अच्छी केमिस्ट्री
I
थी.
know. Yeah.
But I think
But
he's also one.
something is off the charts, something is
हाँ
okay,
हाँ,
they're cute,
something
right?
great. But
Yeah.
ये कि आई थिंक कि मैं जब कोई ड्रामा देखती हूँ तो मुझे केमिस्ट्री इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई वांट टू
Hmm.
सी इट. But I think that for
It
me,
depends on the story. It depends on
yeah,
the
for me,
story.
yeah, I will
Sometimes
say
just a feeling of romance is enough,
possibly,
right?
yeah.
और लंबे लंबे dialogues भी नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं चाहिए,
Just a
हाँ.
feeling of attraction is enough. But sometimes you get this accidental button that clicks, and then you get
It
that
just
तेरे
goes
बिन,
crazy.
which is like, हालांकि the story was like मुझे मारो सब.
अरे भाई,
But
सुन मेरे दिल भी यही है. सुन मेरे दिल में वहाज और माया की केमिस्ट्री बड़ी क्यूट है. मतलब क्यूट से मेरी बता दी कि इट्स वर्किंग फॉर मी, बट आई एम लाइक
I
I
can
hate,
see absolute zero.
no, I love it, but I hate it वाला चीज है. And
अच्छा.
even in Ghair, you know, you see that spark between Ushna and Osama, but then you're like, what's the story though?
I also see it with Ushna and Fajad as in Adil. So
Really?
that's why
I
I'm a
don't see
bit
that.
confused.
No,
I'm
I
a
don't
bit
see it at
confused.
all. I don't
I'm a
see that
bit
at all.
confused.
But anyway,
Mm,
coming back to Farrar, I think we were just discussing
mm,
Farrar और हम कहीं और चले गए. तो हम केमिस्ट्री को, इसको, इस चैप्टर को केमिस्ट्री कहेंगे, लेकिन हमारा जो फरार के ऊपर डिस्कशन है वो ये है कि मुझे लगता है, मेरी टेक फरार पे सिर्फ इतनी सी है कि आई थिंक कि मुस्तफ़ा अफरीदी ने MQM के ऊपर ही बनाई है ज़ाहिर है पूरी कहानी, जो बातिश का ट्रैक बनाया. एंड
mm.
अगेन बातिश ट्रैक is sort of overshadowed everything else. I really hope that changes and they show us enough of all the characters, क्योंकि उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस ही इस तरह किया था. तो बातिश का कैरेक्टर के ट्रैक के ऊपर बस मैं इतना कहना
Lovely,
चाहूंगी.
isn't he? He's
ओ
such a
गॉड,
complete criminal. उसको
ही इज
और
लव.
इतना डफर है, उसको कोई वो
And
moral
his brilliant
dilemma
casting,
या
he is brilliant
yes,
casting to
and
get Hamza for this
Hamza के
role.
expressions are perfect. मैं कहूंगी perfect. He doesn't think too deeply. ना उसको एक और कत्ल कर दिया. Like brilliant. And then they
ब्रिलियंट.
show the next episode that yeah, that guy deserved it. वो जो Jimmy Drill था या
हाँ
पता नहीं
वो
क्या.
था जो भी था, मगर ये बात ये है कि उसने तो चलो जो किया सो किया, अपने आप को बचाया ही है, बेसिकली सेल्फ डिफेंस में मारा है उसको. लेकिन जो मुझे जो तकलीफ होती है जब भी कराची के इस तरह के डिपिक्शंस होते हैं, आगे
हम्म.
वो द पार्टी वर्कर पे जो बना रहे हैं वो, आई थिंक
हम्म.
सीरीज जो द प्रिजनर बना रहे हैं, जो फवाद खान बना रहे हैं.
आई डोंट नो, जब बनेगा तो
जब
बनेगा ना,
हाँ,
ये
वल्लाह
देखने से
आलम, अभी तो
पहले ही पता
नीलोफर का भी कुछ नहीं पता.
है.
तो
या.
वो जब हांडी पकेगी तो खाएंगे और सूंघेंगे बताएंगे. लेकिन जैसे मुझे तकलीफ ये होती है कि जब भी कराची के ऊपर ये कहानियां बनती हैं, और MQM इज अ पॉपुलर ट्रोप, और महाजिर जो कम्युनिटी है इट्स अ पॉपुलर ट्रोप टू गो आफ्टर. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि द क्रिटिसिज्म शुड नॉट बी देयर, एब्सोल्युटली देयर इज वैलिड क्रिटिसिज्म. आई माई सेल्फ हैव क्रिटिसाइज्ड इट so many times, but I feel like even in Gentlemen and even in Farar, both stories have missed the nuances of what the gang wars were like. And I've lived through that. My father was a crime reporter in the day, and we've studied that. We've seen it happen. बहुत सारे डेज ऐसे आते थे जिसमें आपस में जो ये जो सेक्टेरियन वॉर्स नहीं होती थी, बल्कि एथनिक वॉर्स होती थी, कि एक पठानों का ग्रुप होता था और एक महाजिरों का ग्रुप होता था, वो एक दूसरे को मार रहे हैं, कत्ल कर रहे हैं, उसमें बेचारे गरीब लोग मर रहे हैं. तो मुझे, मेरा दिल चाहता है, या मैं चाहती हूँ, चाहे आई वुड लव टू राइट समथिंग लाइक दैट, या आई वुड वांट एनीबडी एल्स टू राइट समथिंग लाइक दैट, जहाँ कराची के अंदर की डाइवर्सिटी, जो कि कराची की बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है, वही कराची की वीकनेस बनते आप दिखाएं. क्योंकि ये कराची की एक वीकनेस बन जाती थी, क्योंकि एरियाज थे, गेटोस थे, डिफरेंट एरियाज के, और जो हर बड़ी सिटी में होता है, दुनिया की कोई भी बड़ी सिटी होती है, वहाँ पे जो क्राइम होता है वो इस तरह डिवाइड हो जाता है, कभी एथनिकली डिवाइड हो जाता है, कभी सेक्टेरियन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डिवाइड हो जाता है. तो कराची के अंदर एक MQM नहीं थी जो कि ये सब काम करती थी. वायलेंट ग्रुप जो थे, एक बहुत बड़ी पार्टी जो इस वक्त रूल कर रही है, उनका एक वायलेंट ग्रुप था. इसी तरह और बहुत एक डिफरेंट जो ग्रुप्स थे, छोटे
वो ना,
छोटे.
you have to remember that there are probably they have to be very careful because
Possibly.
yeah.
नहीं, and it's easy to now blame on MQM, put everything on MQM, because MQM is not in that their heyday anymore, जहाँ पे वो लोगों को थ्रेटन
Hmm.
करते थे कि वो खबरदार
Thank
ये ना
God.
दिखाना, वो ना करना.
Yeah.
तो उनका वो वायलेंट रेन तो खत्म हो गया है.
वही है ना, यू इट्स लाइक मुझे दीबू के पेरेंट बार बार याद आते हैं ना. इट्स एवरीबॉडीज फॉल्ट, राइट.
Yeah.
एंड येट ओनली वन ग्रुप इज बीइंग सेट अप एज
Yeah,
द
so I
विलन.
don't I don't particularly like that as a person who is a part of that community, that आप ये देखो कि वो वही उसी ग्रुप के लोगों को आप
ये
सिंगल आउट
तो
कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं था, मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि उन्होंने ये नहीं किया, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, और यही था, बहुत सही दिखाया उन्होंने पार्टी का स्ट्रक्चर. भाई ऐसे बात करेंगे और इनको ऐसे बोलेंगे, ये पार्टी का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा ही था, और इसी तरह की चीजें होती थी. तो मुस्तफा अफरीदी ने क्लियरली इस पे अपना, ही नोज व्हाट ही टॉकिंग अबाउट. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत वायलेंट गेटोज जो थे वो, हर तरह के जो एथनिसिटी है कराची के अंदर, हर तरह के, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट पठान, पंजाबी, पश्तून, व्हाटएवर, जो भी, सब थे और सब
Okay,
वायलेंट थे.
my opinion is that I don't think Mustafa Afridi has been nice to anyone,
हम्म.
right? Because if you
No,
look
but
at
I'm
the
only talking about, no, 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 I agree with that, that he's talking about कि उस जगह ये हो रहा है, but I'm
I love
specifically
the
talking about
Punjabi,
Karachi.
if I must speak for I'm on both sides of the Pathan and the Punjab border, but
हम्म.
I mean, the way Punjabis are, and then, I was talking to my husband, he goes, he's such a, right? There's
हम्म.
no need to whitewash anything. इसी काबिल
हम्म.
है, यही सोच है,
नहीं,
right?
मुझे तो सोहाइली
और,
अब्रो का ट्रैक और देखना है. आई थिंक दैट्स सच एन
yeah.
इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी वेल रिटन ट्रैक. And I also feel like that the Daniel, the Babrik track is also something I
That
want to
is
see
what I'm
more.
hanging on for.
Yeah,
And
that's really good.
I think Batish is gonna, बेचारा ज़ाया हो जाएगा. And I think, but think about it, the professor is also a part of the same ethnic group
I
as
know.
M. And
Hmm.
he is the one trying to save the city and civil society. And
Hmm.
I think that's a very important point क्योंकि जब हम groups में जाते हैं and this divide, now I admire Mustafa Afridi for pointing that out. It
Hmm.
was the good people of that ethnic group that were fighting for that old city, that
Hmm.
wonderful city that once was, before these gundas took over. So
Hmm.
that is also a necessary point. But yeah, I mean, whitewashing other groups and saying, हाँ यही थे,
नहीं ऐसा
they,
था नहीं ना, क्योंकि ऐसा था
yeah.
नहीं। और एक टाइम पे जो लिटरली इट वाज अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, from 1988 was when they won the first election, swept the elections, and then
Hmm.
by 1992 there was an out and out operation against the MQM. It was called Operation Cleanup, in which MQM boys were killed in blind alleys and missing persons बन गए थे उनके वर्कर्स। तो ऐसा नहीं था। और वो जो 4-5 साल में जो उन्होंने जितना कुछ किया था वही है बस, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है ना, ये
Hmm.
4-5 साल वाला ही टाइम है जिसमें वो बहुत पावरफुल थे। यू कुडंट क्रिटिसाइज देम, यू कुडंट से एनीथिंग अबाउट देम। वो रेन ऑफ टेरर इनका वही था, उसमें भी बीच में वो ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता था। लेकिन जो मैं कराची आई ग्रू अप इन, मतलब मैं जब काम करती थी, मैं अपने
Hmm.
ऑफिस जाती थी, जॉब पे जाती थी कराची के अंदर, और आए दिन हड़तालें हो रही हैं, बंद हो रहा है, तो उसमें सिर्फ
Hmm.
एमक्यूएम तो बिल्कुल मुलविस नहीं थी। और कराची में एक बहुत ही एक वेरियस जमातें हैं जो कि शिया सुन्नी, सुन्नी में भी 10 और
Oh
बाइफरकेशंस।
my gosh, there's a religious one as well.
जैसे रिलीजियस,
Okay, I thought
ओह
that was
ह्यूज
Punjab.
रिलीजियस।
Okay.
अरे 90s में रिलीजियस फड्डे भी बहुत हुए हैं भाई, बहुत हुए हैं,
अच्छा.
और बहुत बहुत हॉरिबल किस्म के इंसिडेंट्स भी हुए हैं। तो
Hmm.
ये भी रहा है कराची में, ये भी रहा है, और एक बहुत वायलेंट टाइम था। आई ऑल्सो अग्री विद दैट। और क्लाशनकोफ कल्चर आया है बाकायदा कराची में 90s में,
Hmm.
अफगान वॉर के बाद। और वो धड़ाधड़ जो पूरी गन वायलेंस जो
Well,
पहले
so
थी।
it's captured it to a certain extent to wind it up. I'm saying
हम्म।
that, but I really liked all the characters, the way they
Yeah,
are
this
written.
it's overall a very good show, and like you said, it should be
I'm
getting more
waiting for
ratings.
Babrik and his reaction to losing his lady love, his
Hmm.
fiance.
Daniel
So
is
that
so
is
good.
good. Mm.
Daniel is
I'm
brilliant.
really
He
waiting
looks
for that.
brilliant. He acts well. Why don't we see more of him? Why don't we see better ratings for Farrar? I want to see more of Suhai. She's so good.
Mm.
She's brilliant.
It's
And
good.
I mean, yeah, everything. I love the whole conversation between Hamza and Harun. It's so good. It's so logical. And I love it when a
है
writer
ना?
is like purely logic पे बात कर भाई। ये मुनी टूनी कहानियां खलील साहब जो करते हैं, पता नहीं क्या करते हैं। खैर, एनीवे गाइस, let us know what you think of Farrar. Sadaf, is there anything else you want to add? We're almost
Yes,
done.
I wanted to talk about Mahshar,
Ah,
right? Because we had mentioned it before. So rather than prove me wrong, they decided to prove me right.
oh, I didn't
So
catch the
we
other episodes.
Okay,
Hmm.
I caught a few, and there's another good one as well.
Hmm.
Acha, I am not. I again and again I justify myself. I'm not afraid of these kind of more like traditional storylines.
ठीक है।
What I don't like is the kind of toxicity that they promote as romance, and I'll
Okay.
say this with Khalil Saab as well.
Hmm.
Uh, you have this good looking wealthy girl and she is in competition, played by Neela Munir. Okay, Neela Munir does not look as if she's 20,
No,
but
she
she
does
can look,
not.
no,
She's
and
beautiful.
yeah, she's beautiful, she's an
Hmm.
accomplished actress, but she
Hmm.
doesn't look 20, which
Hmm.
apparently you cannot be in a drama unless you're 20. So or फिर Imran Abbas hai, he's extremely good looking.
Yeah,
I
very good
mean,
looking.
looking at him, वो थोड़ी
Also
देर
not 20.
yeah, also not
Hmm.
20. But
Hmm.
unka to ye hai na कि you look at him and then you have to look over there. Right. That's
Hmm.
reality. Now we'll
Hmm.
turn back to Imran Abbas, right? So what it is they're both very beautiful. And acha, the added part is that they're both good actors.
They
And
are.
this is what hurts me the most. They
Hmm.
deserve better. Lekin
Hmm.
either they choose these scripts. Now, वो लड़का जो है, he's got a chip on his shoulder. उसकी जबरदस्ती, favorite जबरदस्ती शादी हो जाती है
Ah.
अपनी cousin के साथ. She likes him. She
Hmm.
has an alternative. So now we will get 40, pata nahi, 30 plus episodes of angst in which she will be pining after a guy who is not emotionally available for her. He
Wonderful.
will treat her bad, things will happen,
Hmm.
and कभी उसके ऊपर शक करेगा, कभी उसको ये, and she will take this emotional beating
Hmm.
until one point he will turn around and say, "Oh, you know what? You weren't so bad after all." And I think that kind of toxic thinking, it should stop. We should stop romanticizing it. Maybe
Hmm.
some people have suffered and won through such a thing, but I don't think it's a good thing. And there's better alternatives. There's a guy who likes her. There's a guy who likes him.
फिर स्टोरी
लेकिन
कैसे
वो,
बनेगी?
yeah,
फिर स्टोरी कैसे बनेगी
भैया
सदा?
ना
मैं
बनाए
पूछ रही हूँ आपसे, हाँ
ना
यही बात है
ना
कि
बनाए,
आई
लोगों
थिंक
को
आई
ना
थिंक मसला
ग्लोरीफाई
क्या
करें।
है, वीव सीन टू मेनी
हाँ,
ऑफ इट। मसला
या
ये नहीं है कि स्टोरी ये क्यों है, हाँ ये होती है स्टोरी, ये भी एक हो सकती है स्टोरी, लेकिन टू मेनी and too repetitive and nobody's trying anything different. My biggest problem with Measure is the dialogue. I think it's too corny. I think कि आप ऐसी स्टोरियां डिफरेंट भी बना, और ऐसी स्टोरियां मैंने बड़ी देखी, एंजॉय की हैं। जियो की दिल आवेज मुझे बड़ा
what is
पसंद था।
wrong with making a story about adults?
तो व्हाट डू यू मीन, हु इज गोइंग टू वॉच इट? हमें तो यंग बच्चों की स्टोरी देखनी है। 12 साल की उम्र में मोहब्बत हुई, 16 साल की उम्र में मंगनी हुई, 22 साल में किसी और से मंगनी हो गई, फिर शादी हो गई, 6 साल रोते रहे, 28 साल में पता चला नहीं ये तो अच्छा बंदा था। ये इतनी अच्छी कहानी सुनाई है मैंने आपको, यही चलेगी, अगली रेटिंग इस पे आएगी, देखिएगा। मैंने दे दिया आइडिया, बनाया प्लान।
I'm just going in the corner to commit suicide. Okay, no, I'm back again. Okay, no, I'm sorry. पता क्या है, that's not relevant to today's culture or to contemporary issues. And I know there is a group that will watch this. Now I've said it, of course, Allah will prove me wrong, and it will get huge TRPs, right?
Yeah.
But I think that we kind of like we're poisoning the minds of certain people.
Hmm.
And I think when they watch this, they kind of like love equals pain, this kind of nonsense. I
आई
feel
थिंक
it's
आई थिंक
toxic.
एक और मसला ये भी है ना, कि मैं बार बार ये बात कहती हूँ और मैं इसमें किसी को पुट डाउन नहीं करना चाहती। आई थिंक हमारे यहाँ जो प्रॉब्लम है वो यही है कि हमारे यहाँ स्क्रिप्ट राइटर जो हैं वो ज्यादातर डाइजेस्ट लिखने वाली खवातीन है। आई डोंट नो,
Mm.
आपने वो शुआ, शमा, खवातीन डाइजेस्ट ये सब पढ़े नहीं?
I used to, my mother read those.
हाँ,
Actually,
तो
my husband
फरत इश्तियाक भी वहीं से आई हैं। फरत इश्तियाक ड्रामे लिखती थी उसमें,
Umaira Ahmed
मेरा मैं
बोलती
लिखती थी।
थी
लेकिन
क्या?
वही बात है ना कि अगर वो 50 लाख राइटर्स थे, क्योंकि देखिए उनको 6-8 कहानियां हर महीने सिलसिलेवार चलानी होती थी, ठीक है? तो वो कितने राइट, और एक एक डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता था, 6-8 बड़े बड़े डाइजेस्ट थे उस
आई एम
जमाने के।
सॉरी, वो तो मैं और आप कह रहे हैं ना, लेकिन खलील रहमान कमर साहब तो डाइजेस्ट राइटर नहीं है ना, तो वो
हम्म।
क्या लिख रहे हैं? सो आई एम
वो
गोइंग टू गेट आउट
टॉक्सिसिटी
ऑफ
बेच रहे हैं, वो
या
टॉक्सिसिटी बेच रहे हैं और लोग खरीद रहे हैं। और अफसोस की बात ये, एक्चुअली उनके साथ जो बड़ी ट्रेजेडी है वो ये है कि मेल पर्सपेक्टिव से रोमांस जो है ना, वो वही लिखने के समहाउ बेताज बादशाह बन गए हैं, जो कि ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से। और राइटर्स, मेल
where is
राइटर्स
Shahid Dogar when you need him, right? Where is he?
या ही इज सो गुड, ही इज सो गुड। सो ऑल्सो आई थिंक एक और भी राइटर थे, मुझे उनका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, उन्होंने दुल्हन लिखा था। आई फॉरगॉट हिज नेम।
Let's see, वो Adil Razak.
अदील रजाक इज रियली गुड एट बिल्डिंग
But he is good at वो thrillers and the like,
good
na?
thrillers, good thrillers, horror also. I think he wrote Neeli Zinda Hai, if I'm not mistaken. So I think Jahazeb Kamar also writes really interesting stories. But I think कि वो उनको ऐसे राइटर्स को रख दिया जाता है कि अच्छा आपके लिए हमें वो 9 बजे वाला स्लॉट रखा है, आप वो लिखें। और जो 8 बजे वाला स्लॉट होता है वो खलील साहब के अलावा तो कोई छेड़ नहीं सकता, कोई मर्दों में तो कोई छेड़ नहीं सकता। एंड आई थिंक दिस इज रियली रॉन्ग, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि मुस्तफा अफरीदी ऑल्सो, अगेन ही इज
He's
नॉट, ही इज अ ब्रिलियंट राइटर, बट अगेन बिकॉज वो रोमांस जब बेचना होता है और एक मेल पर्सपेक्टिव का रोमांस बेचना होता है, तो उन सबके दिमाग में खलील साहब ही आते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है वी नीड टू ब्रांच आउट। एंड आई थिंक के एज समबडी who's been trying to get who's been trying to write for TV, like I think that film has a lot more freedom, and I would love to produce my own film someday, but until then I've written 2 films, actually 3, but इन दोनों फिल्मों में मैंने ये देखा है कि फिल्म लिखना आसान है और फिल्म लिखने में मार्जिन ज्यादा है पाकिस्तान में। On the other hand, TV writing is very restrictive and it's very oppressive also for writers, because I think कि हर writer नहीं adapt कर सकता। That's why you don't see that kind of content, because channels नहीं चाहते certain kind of writing। आपको बहुत
No,
लड़ना पड़ता है,
I
बहुत पीछे
feel
हटना
that
पड़ता है।
I feel that Neelam Munir and Imran Abbas are very good artists.
हम्म।
मुझे ना, I find it painful कि
हम्म।
I have seen their past work It was so contemporary. It was so good. They don't need this kind of stuff, and maybe it makes them feel comfortable, but I think they deserve better, and I think the audience deserves better. तो बस I've said it and that's it. बाकी आप लोग enjoy करें उसको. What can I say? Okay, last thing. Did you what? आपा क्या उनका नाम है?
Apa Shamin.
आपा शमीन.
No, I haven't. I have to see it. I will watch it.
Okay, I am going to give you a suggestion to watch it.
Okay.
It is very traditional, using a lot of tropes. And this
Hmm.
is where I'm saying that you can get that traditional middle class. You can, just like Baby Baji, and I think
Hmm.
ARY is good at this. I'm not
Hmm.
sure is Appa Shamim ARY or not. I'm
ARY.
not
ARY.
right.
Hmm.
Somebody, you can take the same ideas and make them contemporary. You can
Hmm.
take the same ideas, oh, family life, relationships, मैं इनका लिहाज करता हूँ, and all this kind of stuff.
And make
And
it
you
good.
can and make it contemporary, make it good, make it sensible, and you
Hmm.
understand. And with Baby Baji, it celebrated the joint family system, but it also told us कि भाई हाँ ये victims भी हैं joint family system के. किसी
Hmm.
के अरमान कितने सालों से दबे हुए हैं, उनकी ख्वाहिशें, उनकी जिंदगी is ruined by this. So
Hmm.
I like that. यहाँ अच्छी बात भी है, so it kept a good balance, and I think this
I will
one
watch it.
good. Yeah.
Hmm. I will watch it. Guys, are you watching Apa Shamim? Let us know in the comments. I love
Yeah,
Faiza
let us
Hassan.
know. It's a
I
very
l-
Karelu thing,
I
and
love
it
Faiza
has,
Hassan. I'll watch it for Faiza Hassan and Sadaf
yeah,
suggestion.
except when she does that now all powerful nun thing, then I get really annoyed now.
And she's so fun. I love her. I loved her in Burns
A
Road Ki.
wonderful actress, though,
Burns
isn't she?
Road Ki Nilofer.
Brilliant.
It was Burns
Ah,
Road Ki Nilofer. Yeah.
yes,
Oh my God. So
Burns
fun.
Road,
Why doesn't
Kinilufar.
Fussy Bari write more for TV? We miss
Yeah,
Ghisi Puri
where is
Normal.
he? Where are the actors? Let me give you a list of the people that have. Sarwat Nazir, please, ma'am,
Come
where are
back.
you? Faiza Iftikhar, where are
आई
you?
थिंक इनके
Hasi Bari, where
ग्रीन
are
पे
you?
ड्रामे आने वाले हैं इन तीनों के फसी का नहीं मालूम बट फाइजा एंड सरवत का तो है ड्रामा ग्रीन के पास आई थिंक आई एम प्रीटी श्योर
Chalo, we're
गाइस
looking
लेट अस
forward.
नो या लेट अस नो व्हाट ड्रामास यू आर वाचिंग अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा सदफ आप भी और इंशाल्लाह अगली मुलाकात आपकी और मेरी होगी मैं पाकिस्तान में होंगी और आप अल्लाह करे मेरा इंटरनेट इजाजत दे तो मैं पाकिस्तान में होंगी सदफ आप अमेरिका बहादुर में होंगी और हम इंशाल्लाह अपने ड्रामों का रिव्यू जारी रखेंगे और गाइज आप लोग कमेंट्स भी भेजते रहिएगा और हमें बताते रहिएगा कि आपको तमीज़ के साथ कि आपको कौन से ड्रामे अच्छे लगे और कौन से अच्छे नहीं लगे और आप क्या देखना चाहते हैं टेलीविजन के ऊपर टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग खुदा हाफिज
Khuda Hafiz.